for ya.
So that she is the boss. We living our life and we living it large. I was born like this, I cannot fall. I feel like this, I'm not like y'all. I can't go to the mall, I'm bigger than the mall. Put a bag on the bitch, put a bag on the bride. Put a bag on the bitch, they killed the bride. Got my niggas outside waiting in the car. Who's that, who's that, who's that, who's that, yo? Who's that, who's that?
We the best music.
Whoa. Yeah.
Another one. DJ Khaled.
I got fake friends giving me hugs. I got record labels giving me dubs. You can't book me at clubs. Police hate me, white fans show me love. I just gave away bites with a judge. I grew up in the mud. Legal money, I got rich from working. I give back to my hood on purpose. When you make it to the top, you know the rumors gon' surface. Know you talk behind my back, cause your ass always be nervous. Everything private on the jet, we got curtains. 30,000 feet in this bitch bust out twerking. I ain't from New Orleans, but I know that you heard me. I don't play tennis, but the models, they serve me. Feel like I'm that nigga, but plenty women done curve me. Know my worth, I gave myself to many women didn't deserve me. Trusted you, gave you my heart, and you did nothing but hurt me. But one thing about them tables, they just don't stop turning. One thing about them tables, they just don't stop. Yeah, one thing about this money, it just won't stop. Heart inside the trenches, I can't go pop. We make street records and they go pop. Still stand on business even though I'm rich. Niggas out of pocket, grab the pool stick. She don't get a purse, then she gon' throw a fit. But she ride me like a rodeo, no bullshit. I own a lot of homes, I got good deeds. Dotting all my I's and crossing all my T's. Looking at my children, all I see is me. You know it's different when you responsible for how somebody breathes. Make sure that they eat, cause I'm a hustler. I don't believe in ghosts, but he's a buster. Top shot of the streets, know how many niggas we done roughed up. Ferrari 1.2, remember Ryan in a pluck. 40 million a year, this shit right here way past lucked up.
How come a nigga ain't into his prime? Still getting better after all this time. These niggas say that they killers, they lying. Only thing I see him killing is high. 100 million, I'm still on the grind. 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 Never pedal right, never said a lot. Only what need to be said. Got a little guap when you get a lot. Want no bitch leave you on red. Don't push me, nigga, my feet on the ledge. This game is like follow the leader. If you looking closely enough, then you'll see that I live. The moves that I made, the people I fed, the evil I ducked. They minds is too feeble, they lean on their crutch. I'm bleeding for fighting my demons head up. When I get defeated, believe I get up. I come from a city, more niggas ain't heard of until they popped in my first CD. Now look,
Oh, what up, chat?
Front no more, bitch, I'm a rain until FEMA show up. When shot got a ring and like freedom, I duck. E&J fell on my cup, and bullets fly by, that shit sober you up. I'm proud of my niggas, they never switched up. Don't care if it's Michael B. Jordan that's calling my woman and fuck, she ain't gon' never pick up. Sadly, I can't say the same for you niggas. A couple of dollars be changing you niggas. I pray for you niggas, but how come a nigga ain't into his prime? Still getting better after all this time. These niggas say that they killers, they lying. Only thing I see him killing is time. 100 million, I'm still on the grind. 100 million, I'm still on the grind.
Yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Darn it, trade? No, I'm not. Don't worry. $100 million, I'm still on the grind. Yo, I don't listen to J. Cole a lot, but that song was hitting different the other night. I was like, damn. I was like, yo, what up, chat? Yes, this stream. Yo, I gotta tell you guys, I got no clue. You know, some of you guys thought I was deleting streams ones of losses, which I don't do. I don't delete streams at all. Otherwise, why would I delete yesterday's stream, right? But yeah, yesterday's stream got taken down. I mean, it could be up, but like, look, it blocked. I can't do anything about it. It's just blocked. I guess it's certain songs. Like, I have a safe route I can play certain songs, but a lot of shit is says that while I'm playing music. Yeah, a lot of shit is getting blocked. If it's not a CLB Drake album, for some reason I can't play it. Partially blocked's fine. Like, partially blocked some countries, you know, I'm sorry, but I make some sacrifices. However, blocked, yo, you are tripping. Worldwide. Yeah, nah. Certain songs get blocked. See the one, the eyeballs, that gets blocked. So it's weird. I don't know. It's a hit or miss. I guess this is the volume level 2 that I played at. Maybe I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out today one last time. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna go back to copyright free music. But I'm trying to vibe out, bro. So, but yeah, that's YouTube, man. I don't know what to tell you guys, but yeah, it's fine. You know what we gotta do though? We gotta sign a fucking artist in Devious that could actually that has music. We can promote his shit and play his stuff. Someone that makes dope music. But yeah. Let's see. All right. Let's go and start the analysis. I know you guys are waiting for gold. I know you guys got gold, so I'm waiting for a 30 candle close. But let's see. All right. All right, let's go ahead. You want to sign me for DVS music? Hey, send your music on my DMs. I got you. All right, yo, chat. So let's take a look at Golden DJ real quick. After I send my analysis, or after I send my Zoom link. All right, here we go. We have potential buys here though in about a minute and a half potential. I was looking initially at the 1 hour flip. At first I was a little worried about the previous kind of have no bottom wick. But that was when I was on my phone. I just hopped on a PC just now, and I'm noticing that it actually closed. It actually did have a bottom wick there, so I mean, not too much of my worry here. But yeah, I mean, you have a minute left for a third closure. The day candle is technically, the thing with the day time from chat is just the fact that the daily here, it could be a range 1, and that's all I'm looking at. Like, I know right now obviously our bias is bullish, right? But with the way it closed, with the way it's trending, like this at any given point is a range 1 breakout. At any given point, this price could literally just pop back into the range and do something like this for tomorrow's candle and such, right? If we close bearish today, I wouldn't be surprised. Doesn't mean we can't tap next target though. Next target for a day is gonna be like 1725. I mean, that level should get tapped by the looks of it on a small time frame. But this is what I'm expecting price to do over the next couple of days. I mean, you need a closure first, right? If you don't get a closure back in the range, then you can just ignore whatever I just said. But once you do get a closure, that's a very interesting play because that's a range 1 breakout. Now, let me just, yeah, the 4 count closes bullish here. Right at support. Yeah, the 1 hour was the buy stuff that I was looking at initially. But you have a closure here in 8 seconds. If you can get a nice bottom wick, then I'll potentially attempt it. I just need a bottom wick in this next candle. Oh, okay, the banks are definitely watching us. Nice. All right, well, we can go on and do our actual analysis now because it looks like the 30-minute candle closes no top wick, so no positions there for me. Cool. All right, yeah, that is chopped. Off of the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it does look clean because it did close above this range here, so you would expect price to drive up towards next resistance, which is going to be somewhere up here at 1726.452. But with the 30-minute candle that I was initially waiting for, it gets a little interesting now. I don't know, for me, I consider that no top wick. If I initially enter off the 1 hour, it's funny because if I initially enter off the 1 hour, I'll still be in. If I'm not in yet and I see the way the 30-minute candle close, I don't want to get in because you want to get in when things are very high probable, right? Right now, it doesn't look as high probable as the day off the 1 hour flip. 1 hour flip was initially cleaner because you had the flip, you had the initial push off the flip. This candle is just like, it just closed with no top wick, right? So it decreases the odds by a slight bit. So I'm no longer going to be interested in buys here just yet. However, let me go back to my analysis because I kind of rushed it. Yeah, so the daily time frame is interesting because you have this resistance here, right? Yes, price stay close above. However, with the following range, this is still a range 1. So at any given point, until you get a range 2 breakout, which is going to be somewhere above here, 1736, it comes down to today's candle. Today's candle is very important, right? Yesterday's candle is very key too, because yesterday's candle, you know, shows you what time frame you're going to break out of. But now that you get the breakout, okay, well, is this the actual breakout for buys, or is this a range 1 fake out for price to drive back down to retest the lows, right? The weekly is still bearish. The weekly high is all the way up here at 1740. So until you actually break 1740 or you close bullish on a weekly, we're technically still bearish on a weekly. So sells for me or buys for me, I mean, here's the thing. I'm interested in bias today. It's not like I'm not going to take bias today. My bias for a day is technically bullish until you actually break the lows. But I'm speaking as for tomorrow. If you close bearish today, then tomorrow's candle will be interesting. I'll say more so on an algo day. But chat, yeah, you do have it is a range 1. I mean, the 4 candle going off the daily, it did close bullish. It's kind of tough though because it's in a range here. You're at like you're in this weird zone here, which I don't really like. Looking left here, or this zone I don't really like because the way price opened up here, first of all, the previous candle had no bottom wick, right? And then this current candle had no bottom wick as well, and it's still respecting resistance. I wouldn't be surprised if this candle pops back down plus bearish. I'll say though, so remember how I said the daily time frame, it could be a range 1. I would say we could start making our way back down into this range here if the small time frame lines up. So what I mean by that is, if you see price today drop below like 1713, 17 like 10 levels, right back into those levels, you can say, okay, this level breaks, you're going straight down towards like 1699. But you gotta break this level first. If you don't break this level, then there won't be any potential sells through a day, right? Because at any given point, price could literally just drive all the way back up. But right now you're in a range from here until basically you can say here above 1726. This is a range you're in off the 1H, right? This is a range you're gonna spend a majority of your time in. Once you break out this range, you'll see more so of actual volume. But as for positions today, I mean, there is a resistance right around here. Price did close above the range off the 30 here. Or let me actually delete this. Let me start from the resistance. There is a resistance over here at 1726.218. Pretty hefty resistance, something you gotta be aware of. And then you have support formed on price right around here, right? So 1714.360. These are your major zones for the day. As for minor zones, you do have a minor zone right around here, which you gotta be aware of, as that's the current range you're in. So yeah, I mean, buys aren't bad off the 1 hour here. The 1 hour did close above. It's just that I didn't get in initially off the 1 hour, so the next time I was waiting for it was the 15, or it was the 30. And since the 30 just closed, there's no top wick. With the way it closed, it just makes me not want to enter, because you close in no top wick, so the probability goes down by a bit. Therefore, you know, there's no point in me entering. If it drives, it drives. The 1 hour could definitely still drive. 1 hour is clean. It's just the 4 count I'm kind of worried about, and the 30. Those two time frames are kind of interfering with my analysis. Therefore, when you have one red flag, it means you don't take the position at all, right? But yeah, I guess you just say buys above here, going up towards next resistance until above 1626, and you have more buys above there. If you break above 1626 today, then you can say, okay, you may get a range 2 today, and you may just make your way up towards the next resistance, which is up here at 1732. But until then, man, anything can happen here. So I mean, let's see. It's gonna be an interesting day today. Today should be a good day to determine the next week and the week after that. GJ here, on the other hand, GJ for the weekly is pretty bullish for the week. As you can see, you're breaking above his wicks here. Don't get your hopes too high yet, because at any given point, this thing can close doji. You have 1 day left. That's a lot of time. But I mean, it looks good. It's looking sweet. The monthly candle was the fake that we mentioned, right? So it's a similar boat as gold today. Just imagine gold being right here right now, right? If you look at gold prices, let me show you guys actually. Let me show you guys a great example here. This is a perfect example. So look at the daily, right? On gold. And then look at GJ. Let me put in the exact same spot, the center of the chart. Right? Yeah, see this? You see how there's a support formed here, there's a resistance formed here, and then this right here, or after being a bearish trend, right? So let me just change the colors here. This was a bearish trend, and then this right here was your range 1 breakout, right? Take a picture, screenshot, boom, cool. Okay, now go back on gold here, same shit. You have a support right here, you have a resistance right here, you have an overall bearish trend. Oops, wrong color. You have an overall bearish trend, and then this right here is your range 1 breakout. Same exact idea, right? Now, at any given point, gold on a daily could do what GJ is doing, and what GJ is doing obviously is it's, you know, it came back into the range. So that's what we're kind of expecting on gold here. But yeah, the 4 hour, the weekly is pretty bullish. The daily is pretty bullish as well. You're just at that resistance, so it's kind of tough to trade today. There's really no range. I believe price is gonna make a decision here. It's at a point where it doesn't know what it wants to do yet. It could either just reject, like, or it can drive up. However, I believe price needs to close bearish first on a daily to determine what's going to happen tomorrow, right? Because right now it's just at resistance. It doesn't. It's at an indecision level. It doesn't know what it wants to do yet. So there's no real direction on GJ right now on the daily. But technically we are bullish until you actually break the previous kind of lows, because at any given point this thing can still pop up towards next resistance. So still looking for buys. Buys for me on GJ is, it's probably going to be above. I mean, these ranges are tough here. There's really not much you can do here in these ranges here. There is a support form right here at 165.203, and then you have a resistance right around, this is tough, right around here, I guess. But then again, if you're looking for buys above here, where you're gonna go? There's a resistance off the rip right here. So I'm saying maybe above here you have a decent range. Above here you have range going up until like maybe here, but like this range going up is like maybe 23 pips. It's not too bad. It's not the greatest range, but that's what I'll be looking at for GJ, I guess, today. Just buys above here. All right. Yeah, this is tough. GJ looks very ugly today. Looks down bad. I think sells look a lot cleaner if anything. Range 2 sells below here, going all the way down towards here. Man, I'm interested in that. Because look at all that clean traffic. So I'd rather get sells than buys, just because the way the small time looks here, right? But you have a range 2 anyways. You have a range 1 here, range 2 here. This is your range 2 breakout. Anything below here, 165.203. Below there going down, you have clean traffic all the way through until the next support at 164.380. So this range going down is around 80 pips, right? It's an 80 pip range going down. It's not bad. But again, closures below would be ideal. And then let's see what I do. All right. Yeah, gold's pushing up here. That's good. This is perfect for the 1 hour candle as well. You basically did the same analysis on Juju. Is that a good sign? Yeah, you can say it's a good sign. You can say it's a good sign. Basel 21. What you meant? This thing's gonna drive here towards 26. This is the move. I was just a little worried earlier because like I initially wanted a 1 hour closure, but that's when I just woke up, so I wasn't like, you know, wasn't ready or anything. However, I was like, okay, whatever. I'll wait for the 15 close. I'll wait for the 30 close, and it closed no top wick. So like the probability of the trade going up from 80, 85 with the 1 hour candle to like maybe a 65 with the third candle closing no top wick. So that's why I wanted to stay out. So I exited the trade, or that's why I didn't execute anything. It's fine. But yeah, chat, that's the analysis for a day. That's the analysis, all right? Range 2 breakout styles below here. Nice. Let's see, you have a 1 hour closure in about 18 minutes. 18 minutes. So let's see what I do. You're 1 pip away from 30. Why didn't you close? 1 pip away. What's it gonna do for your life? Make you rich? Chat, 1 pip does make you rich. Or whatever doesn't make you rich. Should your range 1 fake out, now close back into the range? If you get a 1 hour closure above support, you call that starter earning. Is this valid? 1 hour GJ GJ 1 hour range 1 fake out. For what? Sells or buys? Oh, it's about the 1 hour fake out. If you get a 1 hour bullish close support, no, because you're out of support here, right? If this were to happen down here, then yeah. So let's say price were to pop down here below his range, right? And as it does that, the next candle decides to close bullish, respecting that resistance, like exactly what's happening right now. Yes, then this would be a starter play. You can attempt to start a seller reply, sell under sell stops, the wick special on the breakout lows, current kind of stops, right here. That'll be your sell stop. Sell stop here, stop loss, current kind of high, right? If that were to happen below the range, but since it's just right at support, no, it'll be more of an impulse position if you take a sell right here. You're just impulsively taking a position here, anticipating price to drive down here when there's no confirmation at all for sells yet. You sound sick. I know. Thank you. Do you think there's a resistance at 1.667? Yes, I do believe so. If you close above there on the alley, yeah, I would definitely attempt that for sure. Yeah. Gingeru, what's going on? Interesting name. Hold on. Where's the resistance at on the one? Right here, right? 1721.704. Yeah, pretty decent resistance there. Oh wow, what happened over here? Hold on, let me just compare price here. Cause Is this a mirror? Interesting. 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 Ah. Wow. Okay. Interesting. All right. Oh, buys above Sentinel 1, 365 in about 15 minutes if you close above here. Wow. 1735. $17.35 today. Interesting. All right. Let's see how this 1 hour closes here first. Not too bad. If you close above 1720 with 2 here, I'll attempt buy strat. But you need to close above here first, right? Above here, think buys going up on a 1H, going up towards the next resistance, I guess. 1726 first, next resistance, and then after that you have 1735. Wow. Cool. No, I'm not looking at bullish flag if you're thinking I'm looking at patterns. I'm looking at clean traffic. Alright, I'm keeping it simple. I'm looking at clean traffic like I always do. I'm not looking at a magical bullish flag. There's just price Chimera's counter to the left. I'm looking at these ranges here because that's the same ranges, it's the same support, it's the same resistance, same thing I struggled at. Next resistance is up here, and then you look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame, same thing. I'm looking at, okay, well, it's a range 1 breakout, but at any given point, it can just mirror what happened left as well here. So this right here, right? If I were to circle these things for you guys, this and this, similar boat. So you can mirror price all the way up today until like 17. Well, looking left there, 1736, 1735, right? This is a candle closure that we had today, on price. Let me just mark up. Let me just delete all these lines here for you guys real quick. Right, this is the bullish candle closure you had today, same one you have on the right side, and then the candle that's popping off is going to be this candle, and that candle could be this candle that can mirror this range to the left hand side, right? Same range you have on the right hand side. So I'm looking at that mirror on top of that. I'm looking at the 1 hour mirror as well. It's very similar. All right. Yo, chat, by the way, sample size and spreadsheets out for you guys. Oh, I lied. It's I gotta share it, but I'm pretty sure it will be out. It will be out. All right. Yo, 15 minutes, chat. Be patient. Don, was a valid trade, right? Gold buys on the flip. Yeah, it was valid. It was what I was looking for initially earlier too. I just woke up at 6, so I just sleep. I slept for 5-7 hours. Pretty lit. All good. Felt good. Yeah, 735 runners did potentially. Damn, ain't too bad. Good news for USD today. And employment claims. Orange folder. That's it, right? Am I tripping? Nothing too major, but it's decent news. Just wondering, I was sure that needs to stay up till 3:30. Get on your stream. Your schedule. My schedule is wake up, make money, go back to bed. repeat. Now I'm playing. Schedule is to wake up, scam, go back to bed. Okay, now for my schedule is wake up at like 6:30. Wake up at 6:30. Or no, wake up at around 5:30, 6 a.m. Hop on a stream. Do some editing work after, or hit up Broly for any editing work. Some business stuff I gotta take care of on the side, for Control FX, and then that's about it. I mean, as an entrepreneur, I'm always working. Like, no matter where I am, I'm always working. It's not really like I'm going to an office and I'm working. It's just like I'm on a go working, because a lot of my job is majority just replying to emails, replying to DMs. You know, off things I can do off my phone. So I'm always on the go and I'm always working. As for trading though, trading hours is just for me from like 6:30 to like 10:30, and I'm off to like Asian. I might peep charts from like 6:30 to like 10, or 6:30 to 9. Like peep, not like watch, peep every 30 minutes or so, and then and that's about it. That's about it. Did you look interesting? Yes, sir. The daily is still bullish, but it's just I want buys above 165, but it's just the ranges are massive. They're wide. What's your bias on gold on? I'm technically bullish today. DMs? I get a shit ton a day. I got a shit ton a day, man. Huh? 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 You guys want to see what's going on? Oh shit! I gotta do all of this. You see what I mean? It's a lot. It's a lot. This is all from like the last 6 hours too. But I reply to all. I try to reply to all, because it's just, if you're asking about charts or it's asking about like whatever, I usually would reply. If you're asking for money, you're going down the block list, or not the block list. I'm blocking the one. I restrict them. I will restrict you, and I can never see your messages if you ask for money. So don't ask for money, because I provide you more than money, which is value. So that's why I try to give you as just value. You know what's fucked up, man? Traders are so lazy nowadays. They're like, yo, how can I learn how to trade? I send them this message of, if you're new, hop into the live streams for free, blah, blah, blah. And if you don't want to hop on live streams, you don't have time, then that's where you can purchase the course, whatever, right? But I never push the course first. But then they go, oh, I don't got time to sit on a live stream every day. I also don't have money. So I'm like, okay, so what do you want me to do? Right? I'm giving you options here. I'm telling you there's a free live stream you can tune into, and you can learn that way for free, no charge, every morning, if you want to put the time in. But traders don't want to put the time in. Like, they don't even want to put the time and effort into learning how to trade. They just want to get rich quick, and that ain't gonna happen in the industry. Trades taken. You gotta delete this. Tell me a secret sauce. Where close? Which? What do you mean close? I don't know. That's a you problem. Where's your TB? Don't you have your stuff planned first? You're Canada. When you enter a trade, you have to have your things planned first. You have to know where you're gonna exit, where you're gonna manage risk, where you're gonna do all these little things. You have to know those things before you get in the trade. If you're getting in the trade and you're asking yourself that question, It's just impulse. I've convinced you. What you mean I convinced you? Hey, before you take the trade, you should know what your levels are. You should know where you have clean traffic. You should know where you have minor traffic. You should know your advantage points. You have all these things down before you even think about it. Before you even think about adding the lot size to the MT5. You should know these things. Because once you get in, you're going to act off emotions. You see price go up. Oh my God, it's driving. What did I do here? Did I close here? How long is it going to drive for? Oh my God, is it driving to this resistance? Oh man, I might reject here. Oh shit. The one man looks like it's closing bearish here. I don't know what to do. Fuck, right? So you have to have those things planned. Because all you gotta do after you have those things planned is follow your plan. That's it. And whatever happens, happens. Hit B, okay. Hit stops, okay. Hit TP, okay. Close partials, okay. Like you have to accept those things first. Like the trades we take all the time hit BE. A lot of people say, "Oh, you should have held, man. Would have ran." No. You should have held. I'm getting out at BE because that was my plan, and that's it. On to the next idea. On to the next plan. I can care less about the last trade, right? All right. Yeah, chat. This 1 hour buy here looking pretty sweet. What else, Dallas, man? What's going on? How's your London? Chat, this 1 hour buy is looking pretty sweet. I want us to retrace back for a wick fill, but anything above 1721 here, you can drive up and mirror the candle to the left at 1734, which is interesting candle, man. It's an interesting day. It has potential to be an awkward day. A lot of potential, but let's see. Trade options done? No, sir. I don't trade options. Never did. I know it's really good. Yeah, I didn't expect London to do much. I mean, it didn't do anything too crazy. It was just in a range for gold for the most part, right? So this is good for NY though. If Asian didn't move and London didn't move, what's gonna move? New York, right? New York's gonna move today. You have New York opening, you have the COMEX opening, you have NYC, all these volatile times that can push price up. It is a very interesting day today, man. Yeah, chat, I'm in no positions here. Nothing's open for me. Nothing's open here. I'm not asking for my mailbox for some food stamps. What you mean? What are food stamps? Cheap water. Yo, don't make me pull out the Perrier. I might drink this on stream, you know, fuck it. This shit's like $20 a bottle. The collab version though. Nah, I drink my favorite water honestly is I like Smart Water. It's very smooth. I don't like Fiji, whatever. I don't really like yo, if you guys like Dasani, you guys are tripping. Is it Dasani? Yeah, Dasani water, and like it's Dasani water is disgusting. It tastes like minerals. Right by the beach. flavored smart water. Never had. Uh-oh. Can you pull back here, Gold, for a 1 hour wick fill here and a potential runner here for us? Or will you just drive up here? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? How big are stops? Not bad. Alright, yeah, pull back a bit steeper. That looks a little wide. Maybe 40 pips? I'll be fine with 39 pips. Yeah. Keep pulling back. Thanks. I swear we're not entering positions, okay? I swear. Matter of fact, have a good day, chat. See? Should be fine. Yeah. Keep pulling back. Potential positions there. All right. If we get a nice bottom wick here, you have a closure. But if you get a nice bottom wick here, this wouldn't be too bad. Might gotta go a little less than half risk though. Might gotta go a little 8 lie or something because these stops are a little wide. But again, nice bottom wick. We'll be down for positions. $17.23.18. I got a buy stop here. 1723.808. 818. On Blueberry, let me get you guys Blueberry prices real quick. On Blueberry, that is the same buy stop. 1723.81 on Blueberry. Buy stops are on a break of the highs there. On the flip of the candle. That is the buy stop we have. Stop loss would be the previous candle low for 45 pips. So 45 pip stops a little wide. However, we will go with a smaller lot size because obviously stops are bigger, so risk becomes bigger. But if you lower your lot size, risk becomes the same. I mean, you can wait for current candle stops, but I'm fine with this. First candle stop is going to be 1719.122. 1719.102. Right? Why am I phone on light mode? 1719.102. Take profit is 1720. 1734.741. Fool me. Oh, that line was hard back then. Yeah, you have a nice advantage point here, man. The advantage point here you have is going to be sorry, my resistance was over here marked up initially, chat. I'm sorry if you guys, I explained it earlier, if you guys are new to the streams, whatever. But yeah, it was basically just a closure above here for price to drive up. Minimum advantage point here you have is going to be to the left hand side around 23 pips here. So that will probably be the BE point. I'll say the BE point will be more so the wick fill, to be honest. The BE point and partial closure point. But yeah, and then take profit will be up at 1734. I believe we're activated here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I'm activated here. So buy stops has been activated here just now. This again, 8 lot, right? Stops a little wider. Actually, maybe we could have went 10 lot actually, but it's fine. Buy stops have been activated here. So this is the buy stop where we got into. Stop loss is the previous candle low for around 46 pips. Wide stop, small risk. TP up here for 110. We're attempting that run here. I believe price is going to mirror this candle to the left hand side here that happened last time it closed above these levels here, all the way up to 1734. And if you look at the daily time frame as well, the daily time frame shows you that you could mirror this exact situation to the left hand side here, this exact candle to the left hand side. This is the same structure we have right here on price. Same resistance, same support, same bottom wick, same candle opening. This candle likely is to drive all the way up today towards 1735 mark. So that's why I got runners going up towards there. We're attempting daily runners. If you didn't drop during London, the volume here should come for New York. I believe these runners should be pretty interesting. But yeah, stops are a little wider, chat, again, but again, just adjust your risk, right? If you're entering. Yeah, BE point and partial closure point will be 1725.239. That's probably where we'll go BE at. Because that's where the wick flow is, right? That's also resistance to the left hand side. Look lefter, you're gonna be tapping into these zones here. So at that point, you want to be risk free anyways, right? You're gonna be risk free before you tap this resistance. The only concern here really is just what's gonna happen up here. Not really concerned about what's gonna happen down here. All right, what you guys want to look at here? Why can't I see my TP? How do I make it so it looks clean? Guess that's fine. That's fine, right? Yeah, 110, and then stop's gonna be 47. Chart matching is awful, really. I mean, what do you want? You just look at TV. I look at TV. People complain. This guy trades on TradingView. Look at the broker. It doesn't look great. So which one is it? That's why I do both. Try to make everyone happy. Price tabs 1725.239 move. Stop loss 2 entry. Risk free trade. Yeah, chat. As for the trade itself, this will just be honestly this be a 1 hour breakout, current higher low. So 1 hour breakout, right? Yeah, current higher low can create a little higher, or the flip, same similar. But yeah, 1 hour. So if 80% off the 1 hour time from this year, breakout 78% with 127 trades taken. For the breakout, and then the current higher low, which is our entry type, is 84%, or the flip could be 80%, but I'll go with the current higher low, 84. So this exact trade will be a 1 hour breakout current higher low, which is a 83.33% winning trade for us. All right, that's the trade. It's already so much on London. I see a lot of peeps disagreeing with the trade, and that's completely fine, chat. If you guys disagree with trades, like I do it all the time when people send charts into, right? Just don't take the trade. Just avoid it, right? It's not your trade. It's not your trade. It happens all the time. People in chat say they're looking for positions. I'm like, okay, well, that's your trade. It's not my trade. Same thing here. This is just my trade. But for me, it was more so of this range here. This is the first time it's breaking back into this range here. Therefore, it should ideally get filled here and tap the top of the range here at 1726. Every time price closed above this range here, what did it do? Came up, tapped this resistance minimum 1726-ish levels, right? To the left hand side as it's breaking back into the range. So that was the ideal trade. That was the thought process behind the trade. Should be pretty clean. Where's Wix though? It was a nice bottom wick too, because look left there. There was support to the left right around here, and that's where price tapped for the bottom wicks, right? So it was a nice bottom wick. Overall, this kind of should fill the wick minimum. So that'll give you around the that's the 15 pip mark, and the range fill is like 821 pips, and the runners are obviously up to here towards 1734. This is an actual break, yeah. So the ID behind it, some of you guys are new here, new to the streams or coming late. The ID behind it for me was the fact that it's breaking back into this range to the left hand side. Look left there. This is the range you're in right now. You're breaking back into the range for the first time, right? Therefore, as you're breaking back into the range, that range is likely to get filled. Now, just because I'm saying this doesn't mean like it's just because I'm in a buy doesn't mean that 100% it's gonna drive up. Obviously, like yeah, price could not drive up here. It could just range here. It can hover here. However, probability states that as it's breaking back into the range here, there's a high chance it does come up to fill the wick and fill the rest of the range, tapping the top of this range here. 1027, right? That's what we're looking at. As for runners, the runners has to do nothing with the 1 hour. It has to do more so with the daily time frame, because I'm looking at the daily time frame, and we're basically mirroring this candles to the left here. You have this support right here, this resistance over here, same mirror, and then you have this exact candle closure above, right? This one and this one. So this candle today is gonna mirror that candle to the left and fill the top of the range at 735. Look left, look right. It's the same exact mirror to the left hand side. So these are two identical zones here, or two identical ranges. So it's all backed up by technicals. It's not like we're just impulsively entering here, you know. Everything we do is always technical. How do you manage risk off 30? It's a 1 hour trade. I'll look to manage risk off 30, or off the 1 hour, maybe the 30, but I would want to manage risk off a 1 hour time frame. And it's good because our stop loss is below the zone too. Our stops are below the zone. So if price were to close below like 17, I mean, there's a support right here to the left hand side at 1721. If you close bearish below there, then yeah, I'll manage risk. I cut my losses in half. But you have a lot of range to manage risk in this case, because we wait for closures. We don't really manage risk off of 15 breaks or anything like that. So if the 1 hour candle does close bearish below here, or a 30 does, we'll close half. If the 1 hour does, we'll close full of our positions. Yeah. I think this trade is risking yesterday's profits. About a 3,700 risk, which is I think around, I'm not sure what percentage is that of the account size, but TPP up here. Our range is subjective. I don't want to say subjective. I think it just comes down to how you draw them. You have to draw on one, however you do draw them though, it has to be consistent. Like you must be very consistent when it comes to that, right? You can't draw it a certain way today and then tomorrow draw it a different way. You have to draw it off the same idea every time. FOREX faster than anything in Asian. I don't know. I actually hopped off. I think his stream got corrupted yesterday. KD-ness, go back like 20 minutes. I explained it like 6 times while I was looking for buys. Go back like 5 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. And chat, just because I'm in buys again doesn't mean I'm gonna be right. Doesn't mean like it has to go up. I'm accepting the fact that it could go down. It could reject, but that's what managing risk is for, right? Just like anything else. Let's see. Let me draw a line there real quick. Right here. This is the risk management line. If 30/1 hour closes below here. Okay, cool. September. $7.14. Center this stuff up. 9/8/2022. Gold buys breakout off the that was more so, yeah, current high low, yeah. Current high low off the 1 hour and half risk. A little more than half, but half risk I'll put it. But yeah, this is the trade trap. That's all that is. Nice. Then can trade for oxygen? Of course. I do it all the time. When I'm talking in chat, there's no oxygen. There's no breathing room. All the time. Yo. So weird questions. Yo, Husan. Can you do that? Can you do that? Can you do that? Are you saying that even if we draw ranges a little bit different? Yeah, because you should go off of your own judgment, not my judgment. Fuck my judgment. I'm just another guy. I'm going off of my own judgment. The same way you're going off your own judgment, right? There's no right or wrong way of doing it, but just make sure your judgment is consistent and your judgment is based off of sample size data, like off of something that's been working in the past, right? Not just you wake up one day and you just say, yo, I want to draw my resistance right here because I want buys. Like, no, you have to have a system that you follow every time you draw your ranges, or anything in FX. Anything you do in FX, you have to have a system. You can't just do it one time and never do it again. You have to do the same exact thing every day. When it comes to waking up, marking up your ranges, like that's why whenever I do my analysis in the morning chat, it gets repetitive because I do the same thing every day, but it's consistent, right? It's the same idea, same levels flowing through my brain every single day. Nothing's really changing. The way I speak, the way I break things down, like you guys have seen, like I usually repeat the same things over again. That's just because that's how trading is, though. You should be able to repeat those things over and over again every day on a daily basis if it truly works, right? If it doesn't work, then you can't repeat it because it's not gonna happen often, obviously, right? Fake human. Huh. Sounds like a robot. Wouldn't be surprised to get a round news folder here in the next 30 minutes or so, or next hour or so. Should be interesting. Fed Chair Powell hikes prices for next rate cut on September 21st. How do you feel about trading bank zones? On trade, I get clapped by the banks every day. I don't know. I get clapped by the banks very often, so. We trade against the banks. Get in. Bank levels? I don't know, man. I don't work at the bank. Name me a retail trader that does work at the bank.
I guess we'll never know.
I don't know. I'm just trading price action, what I see. I don't trade what I think. I trade what I see. I'm not trying to think where the banks are getting in at. I just want to see. Like, cause like, look, think about it this way. Why would you want to think where the banks get in at when if you look at the charts every single day and see the same patterns consistently forming every single day, wouldn't you just follow the same patterns? If the banks trade a certain way and that same way is happens to be how prices have been moving over the last years, then can't you just follow those exact same patterns without taking each other to the banks? Right? The onion play is not new to us. It's been working for like almost 2 years now at this point, right? That thing's been forming for almost 2 years now. Now, it may not be no special bank play like the 21454. It's called the onion play in our books, but this is the way we describe a pattern that's on the charts, right? And it happens to play out very often. That's why I see it. Anyone told you have to articulate your words better, boss? I've been streaming for 2 years now. I've heard that same thing almost every day. Not almost every day. Actually, at first it was a little new. However, I mean, our viewership has grown, so you know, people adapt, people adjust, people learn. So I gotta articulate my words better, or maybe gotta adjust the speed better. Down to banks watch your stream? Yes, they do actually. They're gonna reject price here because we're in buys here. So you know what we gotta do? We gotta do something like this. When you do something like this, you throw them off. No, they don't, chat. I'm just kidding, you know. Banters in chat punching the air right now. Trying to keep up as a newbie is tough. Yeah, well, like if it's your first couple months on stream, it might be tough, but I mean, these people in the streams have been around for years now. We've been streaming for 2 years. Oh, I think 2 years and some change, right? 2020 March. Yeah, 2 years and some change. People are able to keep up. How do you invert your chart? Alt I. Alt invert. Wait, did it break the high again? No, right? Not yet. No, it didn't yet. Didn't yet. I was asking because some people were waiting for a steeper bottom wick, and if you're waiting for a steeper bottom wick, their buy stop would now be in a break of the highs instead of the flip, obviously. What do you think of most recent price action? Would it break the previous highs? I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen here. All I do know is that probably shows that it closes back into the range. There's a high chance it does fill the range, but it could drive up, it could drive down. I don't know. We're going off of probability. I can't tell you if it's gonna drive up here right now as we speak. I can tell you though, if you re-break the highs, then yeah, you can probably make your way up towards the B point and such, but you gotta re-break the highs first, right? But we don't know if that's gonna happen. But if it does happen, then yes. Just like anything else. I don't know. Like we didn't know that person reversed yesterday. I didn't know that. Or actually, I take that back because some traders here are gonna be like, "What you mean? I caught entries at 1691." Now, what I meant by that is, I mean, I didn't know. I am a bandwagon when it comes to trading the markets. We hop on a trend. We don't come in first place. We focus on coming in second place. We let the markets come in first place, right? The markets come in first. We come in second. We just follow the trend. That's all we do. What a Wix.
What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the dealio?
Yo, you caught anything during Asian? Yo, what happened during Asian, by the way?
I
To your
caught
sesh.
all this YouTube ban. I caught this YouTube ban, yo, for 10 pips.
For 10 pips. Wait, you caught 10 pips?
No, we didn't catch them. There was no trade. It was
Yeah, it was nasty range.
just range.
I figured
but
too.
it was setting up really pretty for the daily flips.
Yeah, I figured. Yeah, I figured Asian was gonna range. I didn't know if London was gonna range or not, but I took the gamble by going to bed thinking that was gonna range. So then I woke up for NY just starting to push. I'm like, great, this is perfect for NY because NY should continue to drive or drive.
Yeah. I don't think London gave you
Nothing.
the move.
No. Give you a breakout and a range. That's about it.
I use Wick strategy, but it hit my BE and it drive. That's the devious strategy. Just price action.
Getting painful to watch? What do you mean it's painful to watch? Why is it so painful to watch? We're down $1,000. We're down currently almost above 10 pips. What's so painful to watch about this? We know what stop loss is. We know this trade we're risking 3,300. Did you plan that out yet? Right? You have to plan these things out first. Like we know how much we're risking here. There's a reason we went lower risk here, just because stops are a little wider here, but not because of the lower probability trade. It's because stops are wider, so it's smaller risk. But we know how much we're losing. We also know how much we're gaining. We also know where we're gonna manage risk at and where we're gonna close half at. Nothing painful to watch. If it's painful to watch, then you shouldn't be trading, right? Because trading comes with drawdown, comes with red, comes with blue, right? It comes with all of that. It comes with the whole package. So there's nothing painful to watch about this trade. All you can do really is manage risk. You're in it. Is this painful to watch now? Oh, it's not because it's going up. You're too emotional. You shouldn't be trading in the first place, right? It's going up, you get excited. It's going down, negative, you get mentally annoyed, right? Oh wow, it's going up now. Oh my gosh. I love trading price action. Don, you're the GOAT. No, too emotional, brother. You have to stay calm. You have to be relaxed. You're in a trade. You can't do anything about the trade aside from managing risk. That's it. There's nothing more you can do. You can't pray. There's no jinxing. It hits stop loss. It's TP. Those things already happened. All you can do really is just manage your risk, right? That's it. That's all I can do. To me, I can't pray. No, I was trying to tell you guys, you guys know what I mean, right, chat? Like, there's nothing you can really do about certain trades. Once you get in, you got in with confirmation. As long as you didn't get in with emotion, it's fine. You won as a trader, right? Because it doesn't matter what happens on this trade here. I'm taking the same trade tomorrow, and the day after that, and the day after that. If I can pull a trade up similar to this, I can pull it up for you guys, but it's gonna be kind of take me a minute to find here. But as long as you follow your plan and you're willing to take the same trade again tomorrow, that's all that matters. You won. You just follow your plan, right? Doesn't matter if his stop loss. Doesn't matter if whatever happens. TP. What do you wait so little? I'm not waiting so little. I'm not going off of emotions. I'm not like, oh, I want to move stocks to be here. What level is this, the left hand side? What do you have here? Resistance. That's an advantage point. We know we can fill that range if we were a flip here, because that's clean traffic, right? So therefore, once price does break those highs, will look to move stocks to BE because that's a minor rejection level. That price could reject that and therefore will exit the trade. Until then, guess we'll never know. So it's not like us waiting so little. Like so little. Oh, it's only 5 pips are irrelevant to price action. When there's resistance, there's resistance. You can't ignore the fact that there's resistance. Great example is yesterday's trade. Yesterday's trade had like a 6 pip advantage point. It did play out. We did close partials at like 6 to 12, right? But there was a 6 pip advantage point, which price did come down to fill. And then it struggled there for a bit. But it struggled there for a reason. It struggled there because there was a resistance there. Wow, gold? Did you just drop in here? Damn. Are you in this, Wix?
GJ?
No, gold.
I got buy stops on the break of the high here.
Did it re-break the highs? No, right? It's about to?
It's about to activate my buy stop.
Yeah, once it breaks the highs, chat, I mean, this thing is likely to drive up. But once it breaks the highs, if it breaks the highs, sorry, I don't want to say once because there's no guarantee. But if you break the highs here, you should make our way up towards the BE point pretty nicely. Because then you just have that volume, right?
I was talking about Asian session and Wix stream, not your trade. What they say about my session?
They said your session was garbage.
Say something about my session. You don't like the way I trade, yo? Say something.
JFake on 30. They're about to close it, right? Oh yeah, just closed there. How did gold close? Gold 30 close bullish? Yeah, so same. Nothing really happens here. It's a 1 hour trade. Wow, 30 closed back into the range. Or a flip. Interesting. Daily candles at resistance. Interesting. I mean, I'm gonna go and I'm not really gonna take anything. I believe though the 1 hour candle closure will be a lot cleaner at 8 a.m.
I'm looking for a daily flip here last night. Thought we were gonna get a little wick and just drive.
Yeah. Pretty clean.
Wick's gonna pull up outside your yard with a machete. I ain't pulling up nowhere. You wanna fight? You better pull up here. I ain't going nowhere. You better pay me to go there. I got shit to do. Wanna fight? You better catch me on the highway somewhere. We could battle it out.
Drink to my accomplishments.
You wanna talk options?
Talk options.
Yo, so why'd I get that YouTube camera last night? It's funny, they didn't kick me off. They just like, I could have kept the stream running if I just stood there and not turned it off.
Honestly, I got no opinion on option trading. Yo, have you ever done option trading, Wix?
What?
You ever got into the options binary stuff?
No.
Yeah, no. I don't know. I have no word on that. I don't know.
Once I heard her talking options, I was like, ooh, this is not for me. This is definitely not for me.
Yeah, I don't know. I've been doing FX for some time now. No point me switching now. Right?
It's like, why? You can do everything here. Like, you can make your money here. If you already learned this, I start something else. That's the thing. You don't want to be jack of all trades. We say that all the time. You want to be the king of one.
Futures plan man. I trade price action. I trade price action. Everything I do here is off of price action. All these trades on the stream this year for us, right? All price action. That's it. It's been the same strategy all year long. As you can see, it's consistent because these are stats for each specific trade, right? No impulse. Just following the same playbook every day. That's all that is. Every trade. This is all we do. We made this book in February for free. If you guys want it, go on tripx.com and download it for free. It's a free book, no charge. Free PDF, right? So if you want it, go purchase it, or not purchase it. Sorry, go download it for free. It's just everything we do, everything we've been doing this year, at least, right? Every trade you see, every trade that you see on the streams here, have a link to it, a stream link. It has a time, has a date, has a buy or sell, pair, sell type, entry type, time frame, risk, image of the play. So it has everything that you need. Really.
Oh shit! Can I get activated?
I don't think so. I don't think it broke the highs yet. I think it's almost breaking the highs.
Oh yeah, I'm activated.
Oh yeah, there it is. There's the breaking highs.
Run, Forest.
That's a nice 15 candle. Closed above.
Ooh.
I mean, later on, chat, we can maybe look to move stops to current count low. Maybe. Let's see. Damn, GJ. The thing with GJ on the 30 is that it just closed right at the support. That's why I said earlier I was waiting for the 1 hour candle, because the 1 hour doesn't really have that support there. It's all clean to the left of the 1 hour, but you need to close below in the 1 hour. Sorry, it is the same thing on the 1 hour, but at least it's cleaner if you close below in a 1H, below 165.592, right? But it is in the range again, so this is great. If it can close bullish here, even you might get a 1 hour start, a 30-minute starter play later for GJ, but I probably want to see the 1 hour close first on GJ. Are you gonna roll loud? No, not Toronto. No Cardi. No Playboy Cardi. No Donville. I don't know. I've been down to go to a Cardi concert, and last time I went to was 2017. The last time he came to Toronto, he canceled in December, so I'm shocked. All right, chat. I'm gonna move my stops to break even here, and also close 50% of my positions here as well, and let the rest rock towards the TP. So there is your position. All we did was, again, follow the plan. We had a line here that we said we were going to close half at and manage risk at, and that is all we did. I closed half here, so I got a 4 lot running now instead of 8 lot. So on to the next trade. All right, there's your trade chat. Again, don't be emotional. Once you have a plan, it's very simple. All you gotta do is follow it, and there's nothing more to it. Don't listen to chat. Don't listen to others. Just listen to yourself, and that's it. If it hits break even, don't get emotional. On to the next trade. Wait for a closure above 726. If it doesn't hit break even, it runs. Don't get too happy. It's just another day. It's what you expected in the first place for runners. All right, that's how trading is. Very relaxed, because you have a plan. You're not here scrambling every minute. Oh my God, is it gonna reject? Is it gonna reject there, Don? Ooh, I think it's gonna reject there. Ooh, you know, like, no sir. Stay composed. Be a robot. Be a robot. All right. Be a robot. On that note,
She's a runner. She's a track star.
Yes, sir. Lovely.
She's a runner. She's a track star. She ain't gonna run over anyone against me.
Every time I'm typing this thing close half at, it keeps changing. Okay, relax. 5, plus pips. Yeah, this trade here, we had, I think of all trades we took this month, this trade had the most amount of people that disagreed, which is fine. So chat.
What did they disagree with?
The reason why like I didn't, because this is something that like if you guys been watching the streams, you guys heard me say this before, and I'm speaking about this resistance. You guys know what I mean, right? This resistance right here. I wouldn't count that as a resistance. And again, it's hard for me to explain it because something that we've been looking at for this entire year, but it's something that I haven't been able to put in words yet to explain it. Something that we see and we adapt to, but something that I can't really put into words yet because it's hard to explain really. But chat, like this is like I think the third time in this month we're explaining it, or I think I lied, take that back. I think since August, the third time we're explaining this thing. It's just this resistance is invalid. I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that this next candle had no top wick. So we just kind of discard it. And on top of that, this trade wasn't based off of this resistance anyways. It was based off of this range to the left here. So that's what it was based off of, right? But yeah, this thing runs, man. This like again, all we're doing really here today is mirroring this candle to the left here. We explained it earlier at like 7 a.m. 6:50. Look left there. Last time we closed above these range to the left there, what happened? This candle came up. It mirrored this entire range to the left. Every time you react at these levels here, you mirrored these ranges to the left hand side, right? Came down, came up. This is a range we're breaking back into. So therefore, a price here has a very high chance to mirror it candle to the left as well. On top of that, it's the daily candle, right? You're looking at the daily time frame. You're looking at the daily, and you're like, okay, what is price mirroring today? It's mirroring this candle to the left. What level is what level is this candle tap? It came up and it tapped 1740, 1735, and that's why my runner target is there and nothing less, right? So everything we did today was technical. It wasn't off of I think, or it wasn't off of emotions. It was off of just price action. No impulse or anything like that, right? But yeah, you know what? I may close some more partials here. Man. Let's see. This runner here could potentially interesting. You know what? It's not that a rock. Actually, you know what? The 1 hour count's about to close up here in foot 5. So we could close another partial here. Maybe a 1 lot at 35. So I got a 3 lot now. Yeah, I got 3 lot now. Close our partials there at around the 34 pip mark, basically. And got runner storage TP. Again, chat, you can close half, you can not close half, you can do whatever you want to do, but just do whatever works for you, man. Right? I'm just managing risk my way. That's about it. That's about it.
Damn, Daniel. Ay, ay, ay.
How are you choosing your lot sizes? I go half or 4 risks. Percentage risk. I go like slash percentage slash fixed lot sizes. That's about it. Yeah, the 1 hour chat. Now we gotta know, because like remember how I said earlier, we don't know what's gonna happen here. Like we don't know what's gonna happen here. It could reject here. Who knows? We don't fucking know. But what I do know is that if it does close above, that increases the chances of us driving up. So we have about 16 minutes left, which is a lot of time. And also our entries are flipped, so it's pretty decent. But once you close above here, or if you close above here, the next 1 hour candle is likely to drive up. If you don't close above here, it might be a little tough because you might just be hovering this range here. So there's that.
GG got potential.
Yeah, the 1 hour. Justin Boy posted. Train Zone? No, I never read that books. I know a lot of traders have, but I haven't.
Yo, Don, how you choosing your lot sizes? He has a little Wheel of Fortune wheel a tabletop, you know, and he just spins it, and whatever lot size it spits out, that's how we trade.
Yes. We're looking scrumptious today. What?
I don't even know what that means.
You know what scrumptious means? Look in the mirror.
I don't even know why Don's hitting on me.
Yeah, the magic 8 ball. Yeah, the magic 8 ball said 8 lot today. What are your fixed losses based on? Percentage? Yeah, it's not of this account because I don't really go. This account, it's, I'll say more so. It's, the average has been like 3-4%, like 2 or 3% around there. But it's the average of money I have invested in Forex. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Or of my Blueberry accounts in general, of all my Blueberry accounts in general. So it's like around a 1 or 2% risk of that, and this account alone is like 3%, 3-4ish, right?
I never risk more than 3.
Because what I did with this account here is, remember how I went to Blueberry on in April, something like that. I only put a 30K deposit in. It was only a 30K deposit, so I just grew it from then. I just popped my normal lot size 10s and 20s. That's about it. And it was April too, so I went there on a month that we popped off here, so things were I got off on a good note, I guess. But yeah, it was around April. I think it was around March actually when I entered that Blueberry. I don't remember. I think it was March. Yeah, and by the way, I didn't get offered to trade Blueberry. If you guys are asking, I actually traded Blueberry before I actually got offered anything. You know, before I got offered the referral link and stuff like that, which I don't really promote really. But
before he took over, basically.
Like I liked Blueberry for what it gave me. Like it's just lower spreads, no commissions on gold, regulated, which doesn't really bother me as much, but yeah, regulated. It doesn't really make me feel more secure or anything, but regulated, and then that's about it. $7 per lot on currency pairs. But yeah, that's it. So I traded Blueberry for some time because Tyler put me on. Tyler M, you guys know Tyler M, right? He put me on. He's like, yo, there's a broker in Canada here that can use the small spreads. It's like IC Markets. I'm like, yo, lit. Because IC Markets and Vantage FX left Canada. I'm guessing Blueberry might leave Canada as well one day eventually. So I'm kind of sad, but if they don't, then I'm here for them. I mean,
Word. I'm gonna go get some blueberries today.
I'm gonna get some water. Hold on.
And they're gonna be organic because it is straight. All right. Get some organic blueberries. Take another buy after closure above range. Yes, we will. Blueberries too cute of a name. Well, that's how they get you. They think they make it seem harmless and like attractive, right? And you're like, oh, I love blueberries, and then you lose all your shit. Is there a reason the other brokers left Canada? If you were living in Canada, you'd probably dip too. If you could. Alrighty then. Yo, forgot to drop a like. Like and subscribe to Don's motherfucking stream. Hey, Dave Jones, thank you. Thank you for showing up for Asian yesterday. Whoever was on Asian, thank you. We're going to try it again before YouTube cancels us. You ready and dressed? You brush your teeth? And you ate breakfast? Now you got to brush your hair, and then I'll take you to class. I stepped out of B. How? What was your entry? I had a really late entry. Wix ever thought of opening a broker? I thought about opening a broker. I would never name it 420 Markets. Get a bunch of high customer service reps. No, those are cute. No, can't do. Oh, you have a beautiful dog. Thank you so much. Where you closed? What?
Huh? Pardon?
Where'd you? What do you mean closed? I closed half at 20. I closed another 25 at 25, and I have a quarter of my position running with stops to break even, and my break even is 1724.35. You got charts for stream though.
Yeah, we're doing a thing where I'm gonna do a review on charts chat. So send them on stream. I'm just not pick whatever is in there. I'm just not watch. Like just click on whatever. When it comes to the video, but yeah, that's what I'm finna do. Where is it? Charts for stream here. Let's take a look while we wait for this 1 hour closure here. Yeah, this 1 hour kind of needs to close above for us to continue up, chat. I'm sorry, but if it doesn't close above, then you're likely gonna hit break even. Gotta keep it real, man. Gotta keep it real. Can't act emotional. What you got going on here, though? Bearish closure, but then close below. Wick fill. There was a nice top wick here. Can't see it anymore. I did not enter because price couldn't close below, but the trade did play out. Is this trade valid? Yeah, it looks pretty valid. Yeah, looks pretty valid. Yeah, it's valid. I mean, yeah, if you ask from my perspective, I personally would have waited for a closure below here. But if this is your perspective and this is something you've been looking at for some time now, then yes, it's a good trade. Because as long as you follow your plan, it's a good trade. But if I was trading like my exact strategy, I would probably would have waited for a closure below, to be honest. The thing about this is that's 4 hour trade. So the 1 hour got lined up to it. As long as you had a third closure below here, 1 hour closure below here, you've been fine. But yeah, this is a 4 hour trade. So this is a 4 hour chart. I want to see what happened on 30 on 1 hour, but I'm guessing it just drove down and closed below with it. OBO Kev. Gold. US dollar. Buys up here. Oh yeah, this is a great chart. This is a trade that I wanted at 6 a.m. Yeah, that was great. Good buys. Clean buys. Super clean buys. Nav. I am lazy. I can't explain. Sorry. It's a good trade though. This kind of close above. Yeah. Clean, perfect trade. This is at 6 a.m. as well. 720. Wow. Shit. That was like back here. That 6 a.m. candle. That's what we wanted initially. This runner would have had a higher chance of surviving. To be honest though, I think if I entered at 6 a.m. I wouldn't have left runners. I would have just closed it at the 26 or 24 levels probably. Yeah, good trade, bro. Traps. Same chart you sent. Nice. Carlo, that was that today. 6:30 a.m. Hold on, this font is tiny. 4 hour bullish, 1 hour closed above. Entry on the 1 hour flip. Bottom weight created first 15 pips. Yeah, this is great. Same buys at 6 a.m. as well. Yeah, everyone got buys here. 6 a.m. 15-minute starter play all happened at the same time. Good shit. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good trade. Oh yeah, no, top wick was a problem for me. Yeah. Second trade. Nice. Good stuff. What'd you say? Second trade, I just trust you. All right, man. That's the analysis. Just trust. Stuff. I'll say it. They know. They know. Yeah, chat. Quarter 4 is coming up there, so I'm looking to lower my lot sizes for quarter 4. Because every year we do that, right? Every year we lower our lot size for Q4, and then Q1 we increase them again. That's been happening for 3 years, right? If you guys been following me for the last couple of years, you guys will probably know that every quarter 4 I decrease lot sizes. So I'll probably go down to like a 8-10 at most, probably 8-10, maybe 15s. And then next year, when 2023 starts, I will look to increase my lot sizes to probably nothing. I probably won't double it this time again. I'll probably just go with like a 30 peak on gold, or in general 30 peak. Half lot will be 15, so full will be 30, half will be 15, and that will be for next year. But yeah, that's what I did. 2020, I increased my lot sizes from I think a 4 to 5 to like a 10. 2021, I went from a 10 and 15, I think it was. And in 2022, I went 20s. So 1 lot size the whole entire year, right? And then next year, I'm gonna decrease for quarter 4, and then next year I'm gonna go up to like a 30 probably. Why you lower was quarter 4? I don't know. Volume, and then on top of that, it's not really as much of a volume. I can care less because we see volume anyways, but it's more so has to do with just the way I've been doing things. You know, don't ask me questions. Like the way I pick my lot size, the way I lower my risk for quarter 4, like these are just things I just did initially in 2020. So I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing every year. It's been working for me. There's no magic behind it really. How far would a pullback be? Well, if this thing closes below 1726 here, then it might pull back all the way down to 1721 and hit our break-even point. If it closes above, you gotta survive the bottom wick, and then the next ADM candle, it's likely to drive up. But you gotta close above 26 here. It's very important you close above that level. Very key. Vacay? I don't think so. I think it has to do with vacay. I'm still here quarter 4. I'm just not streaming. Like every year I don't stream the Christmas week or the last 2 weeks of the year. So I'll probably just take my time off again. Go on like a little vacation or something. I don't know. Do something. Just chill out, relax. And then January 2023 will be lit. But before I go on vacation, chat, I might have a gift for you guys. A Christmas gift for you guys, alright? Christmas gift. Alright, last profit end of the year? No. It's the same shit. Because, like, if you don't see volume, then there's no trades anyways. Like, you need volume for trades. And since our strategy is based off of finding volume or anticipating volume, if we can't anticipate volume, there's no trades in general. So quarter 4, quarter 1, last day of the week, last day of the month, doesn't matter. It's all the same. To me, at least, the way I see things. $41. Damn. It is the last 15 of the alley count too, chat. So you're expecting to pull back, but if you pull back so far that you're closing below here, then it's not gonna happen at ADM. We're not gonna drive up. We're gonna hit the BE point. But the good thing about that is that, okay, you have another closure for 9 too. The 4-hour closure, right, at 9 a.m. Pretty decent. Last 15 of the 1 hour usually does pull back, right? That's what we know. I thought I closed 75. I guess because I thought I had a 10 lot, but I had an 8 lot, so I was thinking I closed 75, but I only closed 62.5.
Yeah, I hit BE here.
I'm still in. Yeah, I'm still in. But I should hit B too, I'm pretty sure. Like this next 1 hour candle, unless it comes up with no bottom wick, there's a high chance to hit B here. If we don't, then we survive. A very high chance, chat. Cool. Let's see. Oh, almost. Let's see. GJ's gonna close up here in 45 seconds as well here, and it looks like we are going to close respecting the support here. So if you're breaking the 4 highs here and you're respecting that support, could this possibly be a 1 hour starter play on a breaking highs? The issue with the buys here on GJ is just there's not a lot of range going up today in terms of clean traffic until a while. Like maybe until you clear above 166.233. Because above there, then yeah, you have all this clean traffic. But whatever we're in right now is a little tough. A little tough, my friend. I hit BE, right? For sure. Yeah, hit BE. So there, BE has been hit. Cool. Now, chat. We are going to close, I guess, maybe bearish here or maybe doji. If we close doji, then the next candle is interesting. But I think for buys now, you need a closure above here. So if you get a 30 closure above there off the 30-minute time frame, I'll take buys going up. But that won't come until 8:30. I won't look for the 15 closure because the 15 closures can't. The 15 time frame is a little chopped here. It's a little tough. But the 30-minute time frame looks a lot cleaner. So therefore, 30-minute closure above would be more ideal here.
Green, how'd you know?
How'd you know?
Gold being generous to us today? No, I would say that you're taking advantage of the fact that you haven't switched up your strategy on break even or losing days. Gold's doing what it's doing, but today you're able to take advantage of it because you're not chasing shadows, running around in circles. You're sticking to the same thing and you're in the process of watching it work. You're actually watching it succeed, play out. So if you didn't switch up, you're taking advantage of consistency.
Yo, Badger here.
All right, we got these 30 minutes.
Hold on.
I'm gonna go do some peel outs, burnouts.
Huh. Burnouts.
Oh yeah. I pull up to the school and just start fucking gas and brake, gas and brake. I get all the junior high school girls. Wix wasn't a trader, he'd be a felon. Maybe Wix was a felon and became a trader.
Ah.
Big brain.
Ah, interesting. Interesting.
There's redemption for everybody in this world. Don't ever fucking forget that. Wix can do it, you can definitely do it. Don't forget another thing, it can always get worse. So if you start lacking, it can always get worse, no matter how low it's been.
Yeah, just like August has been for us, right? Could have been a worse August, but it wasn't. We held our ground, and September definitely made it up for August. Well,
Yeah,
at least
absolutely.
starting off normal.
Alright.
Starting off normal
Let's go.
in control FX terms.
Come here, chat. Look at this unicorn going to school. Tell me this isn't the cutest thing ever.
Hey, blink if you know.
Hey, they want you to blink if you're in trouble. Blink twice if you're scared. She's awesome. And that's the other one. Say hi, and then we gotta go to school. Wait, they can't see you. They can see you waving. That's smart. All right, we out. She's like, he's making me wave.
Yo, I have this all the time. My parents be calling from Vietnam, be like, yo, say hi. I'm like, hi.
Yeah, it's a parents thing.
Yeah,
Like, here, come say hi to my friends.
It's like,
The
so
older one seems like she forced to say hi. No,
Yeah.
she likes it. Say hi, or you're punished. She's laughing at me.
bruh.
Little Wixes.
That's an Asian thing, bro. For real, they be grabbing the phone and be like, "Yo, say hi." Barge into your room, you're sleeping. Like,
That's funny.
"Yo, say hi." Yo, like,
You'd be over there in your underwear sleeping and shit. They're like, yeah, say hi.
oh man.
1 Wix, 2 Wix. That's Twix.
All right.
Wix all girls. He was a player back in the day. Yeah, I know. It's God punishing me.
Wait, chat. How do you guys manage risk there? By the way, guys. I know some people like close forward or such. What do you guys do there? I mean, if you did the same as me, it's whatever. But like, well, if you guys did something different, let me know. You close forward? Where? Where though? 10 pips? Top of the wick? 30, 38? I still believe the data count is still room to drive up here. It's just it comes down to a small time from here. All right. Close partials on set BE. I close quarterly every 5 pips. Huh? So you tell me by the time you hit, I mean quarterly every 5 pips, you can only close 4 times quarterly until you close the full position. So you tell me 20 pips is a max for you? That's your limit? Max 20 pips. 22, 33, and 41. Oh, nice. Close partials at 2 pips. Nice circle. That's a great risk management, actually. Chat, if you think about it, if you just catch 1 pip a day, that's all you need. 1 pip a day. Then exit. Every day you catch 1 pip. But I have no commissions? Gold got no commissions. Even if though, commissions like one like 1 or 2 pips though, right? Commissions usually $7 per lot, 10 lot. That's like a pip. $5 commissions. I mean, that's normal. What do you think about upcoming news? Employment claims. I think it should push the markets or gold in that direction. It's nothing too major. It's orange folder, but they are expecting, I believe, good numbers. Actual less than forecasted growth for currency. Oh no, they're expecting bad numbers or good number. Wait, actual less than growth for currency. So they're expecting higher. So that's bad. So gold should drive up. Yeah, bad for $1. Gold should drive up then. If 10 goes a line, you get third closure above as well. Should be interesting. Should be interesting at 8:30, 8:20. You have Comex open in about 17 minutes as well, right? So it's not bad. Gold buys are definitely clean today. Yeah, more buys. Just hear the music, chat? Yeah, right? A little bit? That's good. Your runner's still going? Oh, damn, you are... Damn, you hit B. Didn't go to drop down? I don't think. There's no thinking in Forex. I don't think. I see price closing above here. Or if I see price closing above here, then I will see price drive up. If I don't see price closing above here, I will see price breaking back into the range. Start getting used to that when you trade in chat. Start getting used to those words. Stop saying I think. Start saying if I see this, I will do this. right? Get used to saying those things. It helps you. Trust me. You don't want to say I think or I believe. There's no I believe or I see in Forex. There's none, that stuff doesn't work. You can believe in whatever you want to believe in. You want to see. You want to see. See with your own eyes. What happened? The queen is under supervision. Oh damn. Nice 6. Comex is in 20. Comex is in 20 minutes or 10 minutes. 10 minutes. How was the queen 96? Is the actual queen Nicki Minaj? Yo, bro. Yo, bruv. Bruv. It's Tuesday, innit? Yeah, comics doesn't work when there's news. Yeah. I'm not really expecting much today for comics. Wait, I'm trying to get this spreadsheet. I don't know why it's not working. It's born like this. I cannot fall. What do you mean I need access? Sheesh. Badger. Did you resend it? Oh, you did resend it. Okay, makes sense. Chat, this should be public. I'm gonna make it public right now for you guys, okay? Okay. Wait, Badger in the chat? Damn, I need Badger. Yeah, this is a spreadsheet for you guys, chat. This is how you sample size. So this is for you guys for free, right? It's a free sample sizing journal provided by our channel, the US community. Setup is, I mean, setup is this page. It shows you the pairs you're testing, the setup types. You can add whatever, take out whatever. The entry types. This is good for sample sizing each time frame, right? And then it shows your stats for your sample sizing data that you collected over the years. And then next year you can look to, okay, this doesn't work, so I want to take that out, or this does work, I want to add it to my playbook, right? So this is perfect for you guys, and the colors are great too. Shout out to Kay for adding colors to this and making it, you know, adding some life to the spreadsheet. But yeah. Alright, chat. It's sample sizing. It's not really your trades. A trade journal is more so of this. This would be a trade journal. This right here is just a sample sizing spreadsheet. So that'll be up. No, that's not the Christmas gift. No, this is free. This is like this is not Christmas gift. Trust me, chat. The Christmas gift is way bigger than this, man. It's way bigger than this. Trust me. I wouldn't do it to you guys. This is like maybe you know, just a gift. A gift from Divas to you. The Badger. You get so much for free. What could the gift be? There's never enough for free, man. No charge. The Chris gives stream of volleyball FX. But you guys know the Christmas gift is, chat. You guys know what it is. DVS baby pips. You guys know what it is. You guys know what it is, right? Where you can get the sheet. I'm trying to make it public right now for you guys so I can send it. But let's see. I gotta get a battery. Gotta get back to me first. But I'm trying to make it public right within the next hour or so for you guys. All right. So there's a bond wick on a 30-minute candle. That's what you kind of expected. So let's see if we can close above here. But this ranger chat is something you want to avoid, you know? There's nothing you can do in this ranger. It's just a resistance here. There's a support here. You're not breaking out of the range. You're in the range. You can't do much here. But you did get a bond wick here, so that's perfect. So if price were to close above the range here, this should be great for us. But probably not until COMEX. So the 15 candle closed bearish. I wouldn't be surprised if COMEX just drives down here. You do have unemployment claims in the way, so I'm not really anticipating anything for COMEX. So I'm gonna put on a sample size data sheet today as nothing, because there's nothing I can really do for next year. Oh man, I'm hungry, chat. I'm mad hungry. Meaning on comments, please. Google. Right here, man. Right here, man. The commodity exchange open. All right. Google's your best friend, chat. So what happens at this time? It's the opening. Just like the ADM opening, you'll see a set of volume. Just like NYC, you'll see a set of volume. Just like London Open, you will see a set of volume. Just like Asian Open, you will see a set of volume. Wow, do y'all see how Don Googled that? Yes, COMEX Open. That's it. That's all you gotta type in. So instead of typing, what is COMEX Open? You type in COMEX Open, and there's your answer. It's a lot quicker than me answering it for you, right? But yeah, that's COMEX Open. So that brings volume in. We're just trying to sample size it down. We've been sample sizing it down this year, and we're trying to figure out the best way we can execute on COMEX with price action, using the advantage or taking advantage of the volume for COMEX. That's what COMEX Open is at 8:20. So you have 3 minutes left here. Every day, 8:20, it's COMEX Open. No, like we know what we're doing for COMEX, trust me. The 15 closures and the 5-minute time frame, we know that. But just because we know, we've been sample sizing it for the past like 6 months, right? But that's not enough data yet. I need a full year or 9 months at least. So next year is when we'll take trades on COMEX. This year we're just sample sizing it right now. That's all we're doing. We're trying to figure out how often certain things play out, right? Yeah, 5-minute was your advantage, Rampton and 15 as well. 15 is a closure. So this is 15 close bearish here. I would expect the 5 closure below. Sentinel-1 should bring price down, but I wouldn't take positions there. I usually would take COMEX with the bias, not really against the bias. So the same rules still apply, man. That's in terms of price action. We've been pretty accurate though. I'll say that we've been 80% accurate on COMEX. Every time we did have a assumption analysis. Google Bud. If I Google Bud, what happens? Rick, you told me a Google Bud. You always setting me up, man. Chemo. If you close below 720, we'll be going down. Could, but I'm not taking sells here. If Comas closes bearish on a 5, although we're anticipating sells, I'm not taking sells. I would take sells below 1714. So for next year, chat, there's nothing I'm doing here for Comex. Let's see though, 5, and there's your candle. This candle on the 5 closed bearish, so as long as it respects the previous 5, technically this candle should likely drive. But is there enough volume considering there's news in 10 minutes? Usually when there's no news, you would drive a lot harder. But with news, price may drive to the next support and just start to hover. That's what I've been noticing for days with news. So this is your next support. Let's see what happens. If it breaks through, we'll look to drive through. But if it doesn't, it'll just hover here and just come back and react at 1721 again. Yeah, I guess it just hovered. Nice. That's because of news in 10 minutes, right? You have implement claims. Yeah. Sometimes it's fun, chat. It's great and it's fun. You guys should try it out, man, before you guys start taking round positions all the time, you know? Sabotaging is what you need in trading to become a successful trader. You need to put that analytic work in. I just got off of the bank. They were questioning me about a transfer I got from P2P on Binance. Anyone ever get that happen to them? Chat, anyone ever like that ever happened to anyone in chat? I'm not on Binance, so I'm on Coinbase. I mean, that's what trading is, though. Shove, no, right? That's what trading is. Trading shouldn't be about making money. As cliche as that sounds, it should be more so about loving the lifestyle of a trader. And no, I'm not talking about Lambo lifestyle. I'm not talking about Lambo, you know, go to the club, pop ball lifestyle. I'm talking about trading lifestyle, which is improving like over time, right? The process of trading, getting better, waking up at 6:30 every day, seeing the markets move, finding ways to improve on certain tactics in the markets, right? Adjustment. That's what the lifestyle of trading is. Not, you know, buying a Lambo and shit. That is just your own lifestyle. That's not trading lifestyle. That's what Instagram shows you as a lifestyle. But your lifestyle is different. Like, do you guys enjoy trading? Like, to be honest, man, if there wasn't money, like, do you guys enjoy getting better? Like, if there wasn't any money involved in trading, would you trade? Okay, you know what? That might be dumb because there's always something gotta make you trade in the first place. But what I'm trying to say is, like, do you guys enjoy the process of getting better every day? You guys like waking up. You guys like hopping on our charts. You guys like looking at candles move. You guys like waiting for candle closures. You guys like you know, the journey. Because usually I think a lot of people get in for the wrong reasons at first, and the wrong reason is getting for money, and that's all they chase. And when you chase money, obviously it doesn't really work out because all you're doing is chasing. You're always chasing something. It doesn't matter how much you made on that last trade. You're gonna chase to make another bag. You don't want to chase. Trust me, once you figure out a strategy, everything else comes naturally. Your lot size will increase over time. Your profit margins will increase over time. Your equity will increase over time. That stuff grows naturally as long as you focus on The strategy. Nav, what did Nav say? Alright, Nav, whatever. My Bugatti? My Bugatti is camouflage, bro. I told you. You guys ask me every day. It's camouflage. Don's coming JXTR day by day. Yo, what are you trying to say about JXTR, bro? Yo, for real, wake up at 6 a.m. Actually, I take that back. Honestly, I only wake up at 6:30 a.m. Eastern on weekdays. On weekends, you see me sleep until 1 p.m. Yo, now, what do you want me to do? Not talk on stream, bro? I have to talk on stream. Most common mistakes when drawing ranges? Not being consistent with it. Not being consistent with the way you're finding the ranges. You want to be following a system. A class Mercedes? Yeah, honestly, if I get a car, which I probably am, I think I get a Tesla. Yo, chat, how many likes we got right now? 230? 1,100 people? We can get 500 likes, chat. Hey, chat, leave a like on that stream if you guys enjoyed that trade that we caught earlier, or the breakdown, or anything about that trade, the risk management, you know, anything. Yeah, I'm a Tesla guy. I'm a Tesla guy because it's my first car. I haven't got a car yet. I ain't got my license yet, yo. But if I do get a car, I want a Tesla. I want a nice, simple Tesla. Give me around the city. I'm in Toronto, so can't really get any supercars because those will get wrecked in the snow during the winter. But a nice Tesla for all your drive. What? Wait, I have a license? I could drive. I just don't got my license. I just haven't made time to go and get my license. I also never thought of getting my license until like maybe last year. Yeah, I didn't care for it because I'm in the city, right? I'm in the city. I'm in Toronto. I can go downtown. I can go like anywhere in Toronto. I can travel to like across Toronto within 45 minutes. I usually would Uber nowadays, but before is what I'm talking about, right? So I never thought of getting a car until like maybe last year. But yeah, probably get that down. Trying to get my drivers this month. Shouldn't be too hard, you know. I don't know what Tesla though, chat. I don't know. I gotta figure that out still. Imagine telling Ike, huh? Shows your MT5 background color. It's okay. So if we have properties here, colors. This, but yeah, that's it. Then this right here is show grid is off. Okay, just screenshot that as well. And common. This is common. Nice. Gold just dropping pre-news here. You have 50 seconds left for news, guys. Crazy news today. Let's watch price. That's facts, John. We got it, broke. I'm broke, bro. I ain't got no bread. All right, 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17. Let's see. They're expecting good numbers or bad numbers for $1 because actual less is good. They're expecting positive, so this is bad for $1. Look, technically gold should drop up, but with the way price action looks, with the way the 30-minute count looks, you're expecting this count to drive down here to fill the range because it's breaking back into this range now, right? So could we possibly get some sells here on gold? I wouldn't mind sells, but I would take sells below 1714, not here. Below 1714, I'll take sells coming down towards next support at 1707 and such. But there's no buys, no sells here for me right now. Might be a 90 move for us, to be honest. Yeah, GG is chalk too. Wow. Respecting that support again, huh? 1 hour starter play isn't bad. Did he get wrecked on fake out? No. We took profits, brother. That's the B. Clearly, you don't watch the streams, brother. Come on, come on, come on. Get an M2. Ooh, a beamer. Yo, see what I mean, chat? I mentioned cars once. You guys are still talking about cars. Good numbers. Really? 222. Okay, yeah, good numbers. Oh, less. Okay, yeah, so good for currency. So gold should tend to drive down now. That's news. Let's see how the 4 hour closes here, because it comes down to how the 4 hour closes here. The day bias technically is still bullish. However, there could be a high chance, as I mentioned earlier today, this could be a range one as well. That's a possibility here. So it comes down to that 9 AM candle here. There's really nothing we can do here from 8:30 to 9. I'm not taking sells here, right? It's not a range one. So no buys, no sells. Right. You want to trade longs? No. We take buys, take sells all the time. I do think that we take a lot more sells than buys, though. I'm pretty sure. I mean, this month it's been a good mix. Good mix of buys and sells, pretty even. Depends on the trend, right? Like March was all sells, I'm pretty sure. On gold, at least. April all sells as well. Depends on the trend. It's funny if you go on a spreadsheet and check out what we did for each month. Every time like it's trending sells, like if you go on that month specifically, you'll see that the month was majority sells. That's how you know we usually would follow the trend. We're a bandwagon. Yep, this is great. This is great. This range going down is around 60 pips here, so I'm gonna watch that drop 60 pips, and then below at 9 AM we'll take more sells, because below there's 70 pip range going down, or almost like a 40 70 depending on how it rejects, but not bad. Oh, Badger, what's going on? Oh, yeah, I was asking. Yo, you think we can make it public now, the spreadsheet? How do I make it public? Do I just, this is it? This is the official file? I just shared a link. Hold on. Touch this one. I'm gonna give everyone the editor row, right, Badger? All right. I'm gonna give everyone the editor row, okay? Everyone's gonna be able to edit the spreadsheet every time, okay? I'm kidding. Viewer, copy link. Oh, you have a command already? Oh, damn. Okay, let me just pop that up for you guys then. Pop. What's the command again? Sample size? Oh shit, it's already there. Okay, nice. Alright, chat. Extra point sample size in the chat. A link should pop up. Then we could change the name though. Change it to like sample size. Do you gotta keep bad testing here? Or I guess we can leave it, right? It doesn't really matter. Nice. Is it better to wait for closures on the 1 hour or 30? Depending on the ranges. Right now, I'd rather wait for the 1 hour / 4 hour candle because that's the next candle closure. So I'd rather wait to see how the 4 hour candle closes here because this is a bit bond. Wait for price to drive up, for all we know. So.
Pull up.
Pull up. Let's go.
Let's go.
What's the deal?
I was saying Google Bud, not Google Bud. It's a comma. What? A phone talking to me. Oh shit, my phone's Googling Bud. Wick's driving slow today. You try to drive in reverse for 20 miles through a railroad crossing. See how far you make it.
Hold on, Wix. I'm gonna get a snack. I'm gonna get a snack because we're in for a long session today, man.
Snack?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're in for a long session today. We gotta see how this 9 a.m. closes.
What, you're snacking on sugar?
I'm gonna get a snack. Meanwhile, I'm gonna charge my headset for 5 minutes here.
There's definitely a body in Don's bed over there. Like a pillow doesn't make that shape, right? That's a body. What's your go-to dance move? Typically, like if I'm dancing, it's probably with people I don't like, so I'll fucking moonwalk my ass out of there. I'll be like, "Oh, you baby, you want to dance?" I'll let you know when I start doing stand-up. That's my go-to, the moonwalk. What you smoking? This is... I don't even remember. It was some weird name. Oh, Do-si-dos. That's what it was. So, prefer the worm. Imagine like, hey, baby, you want to dance? And just fucking warm out. Girl be like, I don't know him. Fuck YouTube, by the way. Yeah, I mean, but we can't do shit without YouTube, right? I'm not going to Twitch. on, gold. Drop it. Drop it like it's hot. What's better, sativa, indica, or hybrid? It's not how it works, man. Not how weed works. Every strain of marijuana has its own set of terpenes. And for some reason, dispensaries tend to price their bud and the amount based on the amount of THC levels they were able to achieve, which is kind of stupid because your high doesn't depend on the amount of THC in a particular strain. It depends on what terpenes are present in a particular strain. So you can get something that'll be much better and less with a lot less THC. And people are like, no, give me the shit with the stronger one with the more weed. False LOL? No, it's not false. The terpene profile is the most important thing when it comes to bud. And if you're trying to achieve like a specific type of high, you need to concentrate or you need to learn the terpenes and which terps you want. No, terpenes are not just for flavor. They're the parts that give you the result of how you want to feel, right? You want to feel, a euphoric high. You want to get the sleepies. You want whatever it is. It's the terpenes. It's not the amount of THC in there. So dispensaries should start. Weed should be priced on the terpenes, on the effect exactly, not based on how much THC levels are in there. Although that does matter too. I'm going down pipe and cat. They're on cars. No, weedology. No, I'm a marijuana connoisseur, right? I'm a cannabis connoisseur. I don't just fucking smoke. I'm a fucking connoisseur. I enjoy everything about it. I know everything about it. A lot about it. Not everything, but a lot. How much would a weed farm cost? I'll tell you that you can invest 50 million and still not get a license from the state where I live. Marijuana, sir. Cannabis connoisseur. That's what I like to call it. Why don't you get a dispensary? I tried. I had a conglomerate of people put together where we were able to get land. We were able to get 50 million in funding. And unfortunately, the state gives out one license for every 100,000 new patients in Florida. So you have companies, massive companies that are already growing, but they still, they don't have a license. They can't get a license. They're already so invested and still don't have a license, and they're just losing money. So it's in Florida's not the state to open up. How do you manage smoking weed and trading together? Just like that, I smoke weed and trade. Proper term is cannabis, not marijuana. It's cannabis connoisseur is correct. Thank you, Siren. Appreciate it. Yes, I remember the first time I smoked weed. I talked about it on stream a while back. If you find it, lucky you. It was a fun conversation. It was another fun story from Wix 9. Damn, if somebody finds it, they should clip it. No, it makes no difference to me with emotions and overthinking. The real question is, what are we going to do here? Are we going to win? Are we going to have a trade? Are we going to be impulsive? Or are we going to wait for this range to fill so we could take sell below? What are we going to do? Tom making a whole meal? Yeah. Tom don't fucking cook in the morning, Kay. He ordering some shit or making waffles. Milk and ice. Hey, we got a new sub. Got a new sub. There's no music for me on Zoom. Oh, you guys don't have music either. I just checked YouTube. Mushrooms? No, I'm not a fan of mushrooms. Yes, I agree about the Cali comment, Leo. Someone's expressing their love for us. LSD is better than mushrooms. I don't know. Those are not my things. I've tried, but they're not for me. Yeah, I like organic tomatoes. I'd rather do that than a mushroom. DMT. I have DMT. I just need to videotape myself smoking it.
Yo, what up?
Darren, me too. We should do it together.
Wix.
Yeah, I do, but I haven't tried it. I'm just waiting for the right time to try it. But I do. I have a friend of mine getting into it, and like a whole bunch of my friends have tried it, and they're all like, "Yo, you got to try it."
What are you trying?
DMT. That's the shit that Joe Rogan swears by. Yo, what you eating? That sounds like ice. Crunch and ice?
I did it on purpose.
Ice chips.
Yo, ASMR? Hold on.
Oh, Jesus.
Gotta buy stuff.
All right, I got buy stop sell stops 20 pips above and 20 pips below. Current market price, five minutes before news. Let's check out what controller effects is doing.
Yo. Oh man. What am I eating? Pineapple and pizza while watching soccer.
Oh, I have pineapple pizza.
Why TradingView over at MetaTrader? Wait a minute, MetaTrader's right here. I just don't like the way MetaTrader looks. So like when I take trades on stream, we'll pop up the MT5, but if we're just like sitting around waiting for closures, we'll just mark up on TradingView. I've always done TradingView. I've never analyzed on the MT5 in my life. Never. And I still won't.
Why are you gonna delete Wix? Because I got pineapple pizza? No. I didn't get it. My girl got it. I'm about to ask for a divorce right now. She done. Baby, I want a divorce. How you gonna put pineapple on that? Yeah, you need to get a lawyer. My ass gonna get kicked out of the house in a minute.
This thing is so crispy right now. It's like look.
Pizza in the morning is fire. The leftover pizza, like yesterday's pizza, cold pizza is fire. But if it has pineapple on it, you might as well throw it to the dogs. Even my dog won't eat that shit. I'll give it to the dog and be like,
Yo, dog.
you know, what the fuck is this shit? No, but for the sake of the story, I had I don't know if you've seen the pit that I post, my boy's pit, and he don't like him. He got little kids, so he sends them my way. And yeah, that motherfucker will not touch pineapple. I have a cat that won't fucking touch anything. My wife's, I don't know. She never used to do this shit, but now, like, all of a sudden, like, she's got these friends that talk in her ear and tell her the pineapple on pizza is fire.
I mean, I like pineapple on pizza.
You guys can DM whoever you want. You find her, you can DM her. She gonna come to me and be like, yo, why the fuck these people DMing me? It's crazy though.
Chat, I love pineapple on pizza. I sit on my bed with socks on while eating pineapple pizza and watch soccer at the same time. I just triggered the whole world. I just triggered the whole world.
It's alright, chat. I'm gonna shake the shit out of Don, right?
Degenerate.
What's wrong with you?
Triple kill. Nice taste. We're kidding. I like pineapple pizza though. It's not bad. I don't know. It's just. I love pineapple, bro. Pineapple, like grilled pineapple. You guys ever had grilled pineapple?
I love pineapple.
Cooked pineapple, grilled pineapple. It's just so good, man.
Air fried pineapples.
Yeah, that's amazing.
That's delicious.
Yeah.
And I putting it on no pizza. I'm not melting cheese on my pineapples.
You tell me you guys never had grilled pineapple.
I had grilled pineapple. I've grilled it, just not putting cheese on it.
You guys never had grilled pineapple or something like ever? It's a normal thing, you know.
Delicious.
This is amazing. It's like a pizza. I'm literally offended. Well, you can catch yourselves another day.
Fried pineapple with ketchup and pickles, and a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Grilled weed? Why? That's a waste of weed. Why the fuck would I do that?
You can't just drop. Yeah, we lost. Honestly, after that first win, we lost like a good 150 viewers after that.
Ketchup on my eggs? I do that. Put ketchup on them. I put ketchup or Tabasco sauce. My scrambled eggs. It's like the easiest way to get eggs in. Tabasco's better, I agree. I don't even trust a diner that doesn't carry Tabasco. Like if I ask for hot sauce and they don't bring me Tabasco, I leave. Oh, this is homemade hot sauce. Fuck you. Bring me the check, I'm leaving. Some people do seafood pizza, they can straight fuck. Yeah, I'll take a fucking Chilean sea bass pizza. That catfish pizza was fire. Hey, turn that up.
Oh shit, I'm on mute. Yo, X. But what are your thoughts on funded accounts?
Thoughts on funded accounts?
Yeah, what are your thoughts on funded accounts?
Can we just skip the topic?
Nope. What are your thoughts on funded accounts?
I don't know. Let's ask Reza.
Let's have a controversial stream. What are your thoughts on funded accounts?
Thoughts on funded accounts. There you go. Somebody got it. Let's get controversial.
What the hell is this the topic every stream? Bro, because everyone asks that every stream.
Get ready to talk shit. Funded accounts are not for me. Why?
I'm kidding. Just joking.
Because of Reza. Reza did it for me.
What happened to Reza?
I blame Reza.
What happened to Reza?
I don't know. Let's ask him. He's gonna have PTSD. Can't believe they took his shit away. It was like a year ago, and I'm still complaining. Right? They took his shit in like October.
Let's have a combo Friday. Honestly,
Save it for Friday Asian session.
what do you mean Friday? We have that combo of fun accounts every day. It's like a flashback for me. It's like PTSD topic.
I'm gonna trade Friday Asian session on my funded account.
Yeah, no. Fun accounts are great. They're great, but not for me. But they're great. How about the next topic? What's another controversial topic we have on stream? RR?
Oh no, who was your mentor?
A mentor. My mentors. I got you guys.
Mentores.
Here are my mentors. Shout out to everyone that has helped me along my journey. By the way, this list is not in order in what shape, way, or form. But
He lying.
as of 9/8/2022, this is everyone that
Influence your trading.
influenced my trading. And this is why. I'm actually gonna save this and share this to the public and make it a command on the spreadsheet, on the Nightbot command.
Let's go. Exclamation point mentors.
We have others. Wait, but why can't? Is there a way I can make it so like it's public? It's viewer only. You can't edit.
I was in love with this album when it dropped. It's like, wow.
Yeah,
This is
he
so
made it within like 2 days.
Yeah, but to me it was like revolutionary. Like it just showed me how brilliant he is. It just reinstated his brilliance. I was like, wow. Basically said fuck you to everybody with this album.
Can you get in the list? Oh man, yo, by the way, chat, in case you guys are wondering like why we're not like taking any trades right now, there's nothing, we're not like discussing anything. It's just because there simply isn't anything until you have a 4-hour closure, which is in 2 minutes here. So you have a closure in about 2 minutes here, and if this 4-hour candle closes bearish here below this range here, then an interesting 4-hour candle it's gonna be, because then you can make your way down towards 1707 and maybe even 699 and such, right? But you need a closure first there, so I'll probably wait for this closure. And then sells below here coming down wouldn't be a bad idea. But yeah, like 3 minutes here, or 2 minutes. So just chill out, chill out, chill out. Oh, you see GJ Wicks? That is clean. Look at 4H.
That's what I'm looking at.
Yeah, that's a lot cleaner than gold, if anything. Wow.
I don't even have gold up on my screen.
It's all fun and games to gold moves and doesn't move. It's a 50 pip range going up towards next resistance with the closure right at that support. Not bad. Gold's pretty clean though on a 4-hour if it closes below the range there. I want to see it close below 13, but anything below the support would be fine in general. Every time you did close below though, you're able to make your way down. So expecting the same thing to happen here.
Me.
You won't see.
Never find no trade better than this. Oh, there's a mentor command.
I'm gonna change a new mentor list command.
Damn. Word. Hein? MM's the redheaded stepchild today. Powell better not fuck my short on gold. Well, don't give him a chance. Close it out before Powell has any chance to affect your trade. My boy JP.
Has my message? I can see it. Did you guys experience worse leverage from F? The thing is, I can't answer that question because I'm not with funded, like I'm not with any funding companies, so I can't answer that question. I have no experience with that stuff, so that's why I'm not answering it, because what can I say? I never touched those accounts before, right? But yeah, you gotta ask the chat. Chat would know. I've never touched that, so I don't know.
When I was saying JP, I wasn't talking about Savage. I was talking about my boy Jerome Powell. Not fucking J. Fuck are you saying?
Yo, shout out to them though. All right, chat.
Not JP. But yeah, Leo, you've been here long enough.
You have a 4-hour closure here, guys. A very important 4-hour closure here. Now, if you guys take a look at price here, it looks like the 4-hour on GJ has closed bullish above this range to the left hand side. Yeah, they closed above, and it's a nice bond wick too. Now, there is a resistance up here at 166, 103, and that's probably your next target. That target going up is around 30 pips here. For GJ on the 4H, I think stops are a bit wide on the 4-hour candle, so you're really gonna have to use a smaller time frame candles here. In that case, that 1 hour is respecting that support very nicely as well. In that case, you may have to use the current 4-hour time frame. So if we can come down and create a bottom wick at like 165, 500, I would look for potential buy stops. If not, then no positions, because we can't use previous count stops. We're forced to use current count stops in this case. And then as for gold did not close below the range. Gold is closing, I mean, it did close at resistance. It did create a resistance off the daily, off the 4H. It's a high chance this 4-hour candle, as long as it respects the previous 4-hour high, is likely to drive down here towards bottom of the range here. But I think you need a closure below here first off of 30. A 30 closure or a 1-hour closure below 1714 here is what you want for gold, for sells.
They just cleared that range out with no stops, no.
Yeah, just straight up.
Didn't hold anywhere, nothing. Support. Hey, how are you? Thing number 3 is here.
Wix 11.
Yeah, no, it was Wix 12. Wix 12 is here. Talk and talk. Weeping. Throw them bows, baby. Throw them bows.
All right. This one's been playing for like 5 hours. Gotta change this. This is interesting, chat. This 4 count on gold is very interesting. You have a lot of range here. You have a lot of traffic. You have a lot of clean traffic. As long as you get a closure. Wow, GJ2. Nice bottom wick. Woo.
Broke previous hour.
Look at a 1 hour too. Each candle has been respecting that support to the left. It came down, yeah, but it closed respecting that support.
Above, yeah.
Let me see looking left real quick before I make a decision on GJ. Low chopped, I'll say. I like gold a lot. I like gold a lot more, man. I like gold below 1714 closures though. If this is a top wick, then that's fine. This next 30-minute candle closes below the range chat like this, right? You close below the range here, that's a high indication, right? That price is likely to drive down now. There's no guarantee, But if price closes below, high chance the next candle is likely to drive down to fill the range. This range going down here is pretty decent. It's a minimum range of 29 pips to the next minor support. Overall range alone is 54 pips minimum. And this is a top wick. Your stop loss is looking like it's going to be around a 35 4 pip stops at 9:30. And also you have yes, you do have that speech going on right now in about 5 minutes, and then you have NYC open at 9:30. So 9:30 maybe to play here. Worst case 10 a.m. to play, but this 9 to 10 candle would be a very volatile candle, I believe. Just talk to my little dude.
Wix, plan to have a fourth? No, I was such a ratchet kid that at this rate, I probably, if I plan to have a fourth, we'll end up having twins and it'll be 2 girls. God will be over there going, ha, 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 ha.
Mr. Ratchet. You have news in 5. Yeah, you have news in 5 here. You have Fed Chair Powell speaks, but it's more so of a speech. It's not really any direct news. It's not like direct impact. 9-10. You know, it's like it's gonna be right. It's gonna move in waves with whatever he has to say. $53 seconds. Some Paragon cells are shaking. I mean, they could be shaking right now, but in 10 minutes they could be celebrating. I mean, all I know is that I need a closure here first, so there's nothing I can really do to 9:30. I'm not sure how long the speech will last. I think about an hour or so, right? Or more. Technically, price action is here for a reason though, so we're just gonna follow price action like we always do, right? I'm not too concerned about whatever happens in the meeting room. Price action is always here. What happened with that loss we had on the 6th that one day this month? What loss is that? Was that a range 1?
I don't know. That was so many wins ago.
What happened? 30 close below. We did get 10 pips there, I believe, though. I remember that day.
Barely. And then it went straight back.
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty straightforward trade. Nothing much you can really do about that. Usually I'll be like, oh, okay, maybe it was a range 1 smaller time frame, but in that case, like, it was just, everything was perfect, I'm pretty sure. If anything, maybe more aggressive in terms of BE. There was that 1 hour support to the left there. I think I missed on that day, but aside from that, it was a clean 4 hour closure. These cells are clean though. Very clean. If it wasn't bad, thoughts? No, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. You had that advantage point there, but it's just stops. You can't use previous kind of stops. You don't use current kind of stops. Was this the right stop? Usually when I use current kind of stops, chat, I would like to break the current count higher low. I wouldn't like to enter in the flip because I can just flip them around, break the highs, come back. You know, I'd rather wait for it to break the lows and use current kind of stops. I'll prefer doing that. I'm trying to see. Is this a range here to the left? Because if this is a range here, we're breaking back into it. This right here. I don't know.
Hey, my man.
It's gonna be an interesting forward candle. Could be chopped. Do you have news tomorrow? NFP? No, that was last week. No, I have nothing tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Why do you say G looks chalked?
Hey.
I'm looking left in the 4 hour time frame. I know it's close above most recent resistance here. I'm looking left here. And you know what? Never mind. Because earlier when I saw it, I had this to the left going across, and it didn't close above there. But I mean, most recent looks fine. Like most recent looks perfectly fine. If anything, you can be looking at this as well and saying, okay, this resistance is what's being held here. But I don't know. It did come down to where I wanted for Bonnewick. The Bonnewick came down, tapped that support, and this is a perfect opening. Wicks, you got buy stops here, Wicks?
No, I don't. I don't have buy stops.
Right now,
until
current
it starts
count
pulling up.
stops. Current count stops at 35 pips, man.
I had buy stops initially. I deleted them because we broke the hourly lows. Not last hourly, the hourly before that. But I'll start placing them. Start coming back above. Might get a better entry than just a flip.
I mean, the advantage point here until the next amount of resistance is 8 pips, 8.5, and then you have 14, and the rest of the range is 44 for buy stops. Let's see.
Where you stay?
Yeah, but 15 closure in 4 minutes or chat. 15 closure may not be bad for sales, to be honest. May not be that bad.
Hey.
Look at credit.
Get it. Oh, so.
Are you not worried that JJ hasn't moved from there? No, because look at the 4-hour time frame. What has been the reason why it hasn't moved? Think about it. Think about it, right? Why hasn't it moved though? What does price action show? Past 4 hours, it's been a bearish candle. If it's a bearish candle at support, it's at an indecision level. It doesn't know what it wants to do yet. That's why you haven't moved, right? And that's what I mean by today's daily candle as well. Today's daily candle on GJ is at an indecision level. It's at resistance. It's a bullish candle, yes, but it's just right at resistance. You need a bearish closure to determine what's gonna happen tomorrow, or you need a bullish closure above to drive up, right? If you're right at resistance and you're closing bullish, there's no range for anything. There's nothing much going on, so there's no confirmation. There's no like right direction. But if you close today, then yeah, tomorrow's candle will likely drive through. But same thing with the 4-hour time frame. It was just a bearish candle right at support, but now that you're closing bullish, this indicates volume. You're closing bullish above the range. This thing, if it flips, right? Keyword if is likely to drive up to fill the top of the range, which is up here. So I'm not too worried about us ranging the last 2 hours. It's irrelevant. Look, you're looking at the 4-hour time from here. Like, that's what's painting the picture here. Make sense? Like that. Whenever I say indecision level chat, that's what I mean. Like that's what I mean. I'm going off of price action. I'm not going off of emotions. Going off of price action. Technical show that it's just at the bottom of the range, right? And it has nowhere to go. There's like no real direction. Like another example would be right here. Like right here, for instance. If you want to sell and you were to close right at the support, which this candle did, it's an indecision level. It doesn't know what it wants to yet. You need some type of structure to form. For instance, price came down here, closed bearish. It's in a range here for a bit. But once it ranges and it starts to find, it picks a direction. So let's say once it ranges, it forms that support, it forms that resistance, it closes above. Yes, it would drive up, right? And that's what happened on that candle there on gold. It drove up after that. But this is perfect, man. Look at this candle drop. This is clearing all the ranges. This is perfect for the 15/30 minute candle. More sells here. Perfecto. Who has FOMO? Some people are FOMOing. We are patiently hunting. Patiently hunting.
I got that type 1 FOMO.
I got that type 2 FOMO.
Type 2. Yo, what's up with you, camera? Hey. Gotcha.
Honestly, bro, no can. I wouldn't have attempted it because the 4 candle closed right at support. Or I left some range going down, yeah, but I wanted a closure below here, so I wouldn't have caught this that way. it's a position I wouldn't really take. But this right here is pulls back for a wick fill. This would be perfect. You have another range going down here, chat, of almost 4 pips here. So plain. It's probably gonna tap like 1710, shut the hover because that is a minor support to the left. Overall, by the end of the 4-hour candle, it should make its way down towards 1707 minimum. By the looks of it. All right, 15 close, nice. Yeah, so we're gonna have to wait for the third closure because the 15 didn't pull back for a wick or anything. So if the 30-minute candle pulls back, then yeah. If it doesn't pull back, no, just continue to drop, obviously, right? Don's looking stressed again. Hey, am I in? Nope, I'm not in. I'm waiting for a third closure. Trust me, chat. When I tell you guys something, I'm gonna follow whatever I'm telling you guys. You know, I'm never gonna be telling you guys something and not following whatever I'm saying, because then I'm a useless mentor or whatever you call it. I'm not practicing what I'm preaching. The weekly is still bearish, man, right? So maybe our analysis was correct today about the range 1, because this is just a range 1 today. Like, I did this earlier, chat. I'm gonna do it again because I think earlier people missed on this. But if you guys pay close attention to the price here, right? Look at this chart real quick and look at gold. They're very similar. Matter of fact, I'm gonna flip this chart for you guys, make it more similar. So let me just zoom this up for you guys real quick. This one and this one. Doesn't it look similar? Why is it similar, you may ask? Because what do you have on gold here? You have a trend, right? What's the trend here? It's bearish. What's right? This is by the way is a daily time frame. This on GJ is a monthly time frame, but same analysis we had this month on GJ as well is playing out. So yeah, the overall bearish on GJ here. Well, I flipped the charts, but it's going down here, right? So what do you have here? You have a support right here. You have a resistance right here. This is a range you're in. Yeah. And if the overall trend is, I flip the charts, but if it's bearish and this is a range 1 breakout, what's likely gonna happen? Fake out to continue down, right? So go back in a gold chart, same idea off the daily time frame. If this is an overall bearish trend and you have a support here, resistance here, and this is a range 1. If you close bearish back into the range today, tomorrow's candle will be very aggro. Why? Because tomorrow's candle is likely gonna finish off and do something like this for a week. Go back on a weekly time frame. What's the weekly telling you? Weekly create a top wick, flipping bearish again. Weekly target this week was 1680. Right? That was our weekly target that we mentioned on Monday on stream.
Current candle closure is very important. That's what's going to tell you if there's going to be that move or you're just going to get stuck in a range.
Yep. But yeah, that's GJ. Like, same exact idea, really. It's just in school, folks. Where's TT today?
Where's the pair? Where's the pair of TTs?
Can someone lose profitability over time if you don't have a consistent plan? Yeah, if you have an emotional plan, of course, eventually things will catch up to you. But if you don't have an emotional plan, you go purely off a price action and tentacles, you should be fine as long as the plan is sample size through market cycles. How to build capital? Focus on your strategy.
Work.
Focus on your strategy. Oh yeah, work. Get a job. Fund your accounts. And take things slow, man. There's no rush. Does anyone know where I can find some Latino baddies in Toronto? This guy, nah, bro. This guy Nav, bro. Asking for a friend. Go to Miami, bro. Wixnan. Put Nav on.
That's gonna be a no from me, dog.
What is the best cookie place? Right here, man. Right here. Not sponsored, but in Toronto, right here, man. Craig's Cookies. What's better, missing a trade or losing a trade? Missing a trade. Actually, you never miss a trade. Never ever do you really miss a trade. Because if it's not your plan, you ain't missed it. I didn't miss this move. This shit wasn't part of my plan. You might have missed it if you felt emotional about it, yeah. But this wasn't part of my plan. I didn't miss this. This is a casual 6-bit drop in the markets. Was my position to take. Oh, look at this Wickfield, man. 8 minutes. How big are stops here? The further we go back, the smaller stops to be. I'm hoping we go back to, or I would love to see price go back to 1713. So we can have a 4-pip stop here. What if it was not planned but I went to the bathroom? Then you missed the move. Right, Wix?
Man, don't. You're gonna trigger me. I'm on tilt right now. All these questions. Well,
Yo, Wix, what are your thoughts on funded accounts?
bro, get the fuck out of here. For real, who asked that? Who the fuck asked that?
Where's the belt? Belt. Oh wait, don't say that word too loud, Ashley. Then might close the door.
Say the word belt, you're gonna see my kids fucking jetting at it. Belt. You just see smoke. Cartoons, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, in cartoons, when the character disappears, it's like just a bunch of smoke.
No. Like, it's not that it's nothing wrong with fund account. It's just the question we get asked every day. So when we get asked that question, we have to answer it every day. Like, it gets kind of
And it's not like we get asked that every day.
Yeah.
Every day this week or like every day last month. We've been getting asked this every day since fucking October or September of 2020 or something.
Nothing's wrong with fund accounts. Trust me. Like, if you trade fund accounts, yeah, whatever. But like, it's just that we have to answer it every day. So that's why we're acting like that. We're just trolling.
I always think it's the same guy asking that question. It's like,
What are you
fuck
talking
out that, yo. What?
What are your thoughts on funded
Who
accounts?
said it?
Is it regulated? Yes. Blueberry Markets is regulated, actually. It ain't my broker, I can tell you that. It ain't my own broker. Ain't my broker. Yeah, no, exactly, Trey. We have new viewers every day. But then again, I just feel bad answering the question for like the current people who watch the streams every day, right? Like current people. Because they gotta hear the same shit every day.
I'm gonna switch up my answers every single day now. I'm just gonna give a new answer every day. They're fucking amazing. You know what you should do? FTMO. Take out the capital that you guys have in the markets and just go with funded. Why risk your own when you could risk funded, huh? And they'll take anybody.
Chat. It's just part of streaming FX. When you're educational streamer, you gotta answer the same questions often. That's how it goes. Chat. You know, try to keep other people's names out of the chat. You know, good or bad. I don't want to be mixed in the drama, or I don't want to be part of it. You know, like if you have something bad to say about someone, you know, keep it to yourself.
We've seen too many examples where funded companies have screwed people without a legitimate reason or decent reason, you know. So and have not paid out, have taken funds away. They just, without valid reasoning. So just the respect level and, the trust level goes way down after it happens to people you really, So it's not like all stories you heard. It's like you're directly affected. So, but to each their own, I'm sure there's good stories, bad stories. Gotta be careful with every move you make regardless. This is your funds, right? They put you in a box and you really have to be thinking outside the box here in order to take advantage of certain weaknesses in the market when you see certain nuances. And you're put in a box where you're unable to take advantage of a lot of those things on a funded account. And the work you did before trading, same work I do now. I create jobs.
I'm just a 23-year-old waiting for a closure below the range. Just a closure below the range. I stand by this at-risk model every day of my life.
Hey, Andrew, but if you really know what you're doing, you'd probably bring in capital really quickly.
I bought from 1710. I'm still holding. Oh, nice. So you tell us now that you're 4% profit. You didn't want to share earlier. Not gonna lie, but I bought when it was at 17.9. Okay, what if it went to drawdown? What would have happened? I'm not gonna lie. It would have been crickets. Nothing would have happened because I'm the perfect trader, right? How do you accurately draw your zones? I like to draw my zones based off of the average support to the left. So usually what I'll do, I'll scan from left to right, like what's the average here. I'll say there's a lot of levels of rejections here, a lot of levels of rejections here, a lot of levels of rejections here. So if I want positions here for a day and I want sells, I would probably need a closure below this range to the left hand side. So anything below here will be valid for sells. Anything above there is invalid, right? Like this. So I'll draw a line there now. So I'll need a closure below here because a closure below there indicates that there's more range to drive down. If you don't close below there, then you're acting like these other accounts to the left hand side, which have all just came down, rejected, and just came back up. So that's how I draw my zones. All right, you have 2 minutes here, guys. 2 minutes for a closure. What can we do here? Where do you have your support, John Wicks? I got 14 initially.
I'm not even looking at gold. I'm on GJ.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not looking at gold at all? The 1 hour third closure?
No, I mean, I don't have the chart up.
Oh. Closure below Uja. Why don't you use the main market? Is there an issue? No. I use traders domain before I use a blue bear. Nothing wrong with other brokers. It's just blue bear offers me things that other brokers may not offer me. Right? All right, let's see here. You can close below his range here. You can look to drive. This be perfect. 54 pip range going down. Stop's gonna be around 37 pips. Yeah, I close below though.
Got 1713.6. That's 66.
Let's see something real quick, actually. 1713.39. Might need a closure below here instead.
If you look across, I mean, well, if you look to the left on the 30, we had specifically on the 30, every time below we closed below 60, that next candle dropped down.
Yeah, that range there. Yeah.
Just look at the candle. It's not a rejection zone. It's the zone where every time the candle's closed below it.
Yeah, you're looking back at here, right?
Down.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm looking every time it just gets there. Just dry. Look, all those closures. Yeah, exactly.
Right here.
And then respected.
Let's say it's gonna close though. Yeah, stop's gonna be probably the prettiest kind of highest chat, to be honest. Oh, let's see, 12 seconds. That's a lot of time. But 12 seconds left. You get a nice top wick, tapping like 17, 14. We'll have a sell stop. On the flip of the candle, coming down towards the range. This trade will just be a regular breakout off the 30 current high low, right? Yeah, you close there. So perfect below the range. I need a top wick. No top wick, no entries, obviously. But once you get a top wick, we'll look for sells coming down to fill 1707. And yeah, but let's see. Probably gonna be previous kind of stops. But now that we made a low, these stops got a little wider, so you may have to use current kind of stops. So since using current kind of stops, you may have to ask for a steeper wick.
Yeah, that was 10 pips.
That's like 11. GJ didn't flip yet. Wow. Very close back into the range too.
Yeah.
Chopped.
Chuckity chop. Not really chalked. I mean, you can get something in an hour, but it's GJ. It's going to be London close.
Is waiting over a month on wire. I don't know. Maybe I hit them up. I got no clue, brother. You gotta help their customer service. They always reply to you. Yeah, Trisman got one of the best customer service I've ever came across.
You know, honestly, until that guy died.
Oh, damn. Prayers up.
Is that the top wick? Really? Most recent?
If it was current kind of stops, previous kind of stops, I'll be fine with that. But since we may have to use current kind of stops, the stops are like 50 pips here almost. Let's go really small risk, but man.
No, steeper wick, just steeper wick, current candle. We do want it to go somewhere into the 17, 14, 6 area, 1740.
Let's take a look looking left. Most recent resistance is going to be somewhere around like 17, 16, 15 here. So I think anywhere there will be fine.
Your stops are massive again.
Yeah. Let's see. If we don't get a top wick chat, then this thing's gonna drive and we'll just call it. Alright. Let's get a 1 hour.
Closes bullish.
And yet though. If it closes bullish and get the 1 hour starter play, yeah.
And
the 1 hour wick fill, 30-minute starter play, 10 a.m. Yeah.
Respecting this level. We could wick up, but respect this. And 17, 13, 6 and close bullish anyway. Martin's yelling at it. Pull back. It tapped it. It tapped my level. Exactly.
Fake the banks. Yo, banks, we're not looking for sells there, right?
We're buying. I got buy stops, yo.
All right. Stream. Yep.
We're ending the stream.
Yep.
Forget it.
Yep.
We're not doing anything.
I think that tricked them. They're no longer watching us now.
Strategy.
Yo, it worked yesterday. What's Martin's strategy?
Just yell at the screen.
Drive. Yeah, chat. Honestly, if we were using previous kind of stops, this would have been fine. This would have been fine. But previous kind of stops was just like 51 pips almost, right? Target's only 44 pips, so the RR isn't really there for me, honestly. So lucky for you guys, we're gonna have to wait for the 1 hour closure now, right?
Hey.
The last trade we took today was around what time? It was around 7:14, so it's been almost 2 hours here since we've taken that trade on stream earlier. But yeah. But why is this empty? What happened on August 31st?
We'll talk about that.
No, we do, because I remember those. What happened?
Like 4 winning trades.
BE, right? Wait, August. Why is it blank?
50?
Hold on, August 31st, 9 a.m. That was, so you did 4 hour and then 9 a.m.
50 plus 50. Oh no, you did the 50. That one was break even.
Yeah, this one right here. Now, it's 50. This is BE, right? I'm pretty sure.
No, that's a win.
No,
That's gonna be a win,
I gotta
and
see.
then the next one's gonna be. This is a win, and then the next one's a B.
Oh, this is number 6. Why is the link so off? Hold on. August 31st. Why is it empty there? I gotta fix this right now.
Right now.
31st. Where's the stream? Unavailable videos are hidden. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me just check my channel. That's weird. I gotta fix that chat because we can't fake our record. We can't. Ain't gonna happen. Okay, unlisted 31st right here. Hopefully I can view this. Okay, cool, I can. Missed 9 a.m. Jeez. That's the vantage point. Here it is. 9 a.m. The previous terminal high, not the current kind of high. I used to be. Okay. B? Yeah, it was B. Okay, so 50 and BE. Yeah, it's B. 0. I was like, why is it empty? There you go. Nice. That doesn't change anything. Is the yearly thing accurate now? 13 BEs, 41 BEs. Okay, yeah, I gotta change that. 41 break evens, and then for the month of August, doesn't matter. Okay. What's your streaming Asian?
Yeah.
Nice.
Know me. If there's a market open, I'll fucking be there.
You're gonna have buys and self stops.
No, I'm gonna tune into controller effects stream.
Nice. Ooh, push in. Couldn't you enter on a flip of a candle with first count stops? Yes, but since you made a low first, right? If I'm entering on since you made a low first, I want to enter on the breakout lows of that candle. And since that candle came down 10 pips already, it made the RR negative because the TP was only 44. Stops were like almost I think 55, right? So no, at this point, I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour candle to close. 1 hour close, same thing. You'll expect the same thing. Looking left, you should fill the range and drive down towards 1707, around those levels to the left hand side. And since it's the 1 hour candle closure, it'll be a lot more valid than the 30-minute closure. Call it a day. Why would I call it a day? This is, I mean, price is moving mad. This is normal market conditions. Yes, I would say price is moving weird. Like, price moves the same every day. It's only weird because you may not be able to, you might have not been through enough market cycles to adapt to them, but all it is just, it didn't close below the range on the 1 hour. It's gonna hover, obviously, right? There's nothing very weird about it. No closures, no entries. Simple as that, right? I call it
money, no honey.
I call it a day when things get like, when the volume gets a little dry. But yeah, it's gonna be a little dry for a bit before the 1 hour closes, because the 1 hour candle closure below will indicate more volume for more range at 10 a.m. If it doesn't close below, then it's gonna hover, it's gonna be in the range. Then yes, it'll be weird after that. It will start to range from here to here, and it'll be a no trade range for us.
Well, season. Oh, we starting today, right? What's today? Who's playing today? The Rams? Playing.
LA Rams. Football season starts already.
Sure.
You ain't gonna watch. You ain't gonna watch the MLB playoffs.
Yeah, Rams Bills. What?
the baseball? Yeah.
Baseball playoff? No, I'd rather be stuck in a range. I'd rather watch a range. I'd rather watch the grass grow.
On the other side, it's greener. You make it your starter player, man.
Celery. I've been waiting on this. I don't even get a salary. You get an hourly closure. Fill the week.
Wordo? I mean, people are scared of Wordo. But you know what?
Yeah. We're gonna
I
drop
think
200 viewers.
I think we should raise the IQ a little bit, drop some viewers here, do a word for 5 minutes, and then come back on our charts real quick. All right. So we'll be back in 5 minutes, chat. We're gonna do a wordo. Okay. I know it sounds a little scary, the word wordo. I know you guys may dip off, but 5-minute wordo, and then we're back. IQ will be rising after that. Viewership will drop a little bit, but that's fine. Yo, trade. Nice.
Blast. Oh no, the T.
Nah. Oh. Oh, let's try this. 2 S's. Oh, too easy, bro.
Blast.
Too easy.
Blast, yeah.
Too easy. Too easy, chat. Too easy. Hey.
It was a whack wordle.
Damn, never mind. They actually stayed for that. Damn, we only lost 4 viewers from that. Wow. Hold on, wait. Maybe they realized that Wordle is not scary anymore. I don't know how Wordle gets people to leave. Every time we do Wordle, we lose like 200 viewers. And even if it lasts like 5 minutes, man.
Like stream kryptonite.
I don't know what it is. Like,
Lost like 70 people. Yeah. They're like, Wordle.
that's a fast Wordle. That was lame. Hey, what was yesterday's word? That was hard. Was it Lee something? Lipo? No. Forgot.
Damn. Today's trade feels like a long time.
Yo,
ago.
it feels like it didn't happen today. If for some reason that trade didn't happen today, I feel like it happened yesterday or something. Are you not worried about Jerome news? Not really, because price action will always be followed at the end of the day. Doesn't matter what he says. Doesn't matter what happens. We're gonna follow price action. All right, that's all that is.
How long is he speaking for? Oh, he's not even speaking. He's taking questions.
Yeah. Class.
It's a forum.
I
so,
think
yeah.
it's a couple hours. I'm pretty sure.
Taking questions via satellite. Hey, turn that up. Not to act reckless.
Someone called you Harry, man. Yo, Black Knight chest. Yo, peace out, brother. Oh, what I
Harry,
do,
man. Harry man, thank you. I'm not Harry.
How doing Q&A? We should do a Q&A ourselves. Q&A chat. Ask away.
Where's the host of the Q&A?
How old are you, Wix?
Really? That's the question?
That's what I'm gonna ask.
Oh, 36. I'm 36.
How tall are you?
6'11".
Where do you live? Forexers be like, how much money do you have in the bank account, bro? Straight up. First time I meet someone in the forex industry, yo, how much money do you have in the bank account, bro? They don't ask Kanye West that. Yeah, you guys ask every forex trader that though. How much do you guys have there? Like, how much money did you make today? It's so crazy. It's like those things you don't really ask anywhere else in the world except for the forex industry.
If magic made it.
Ooh, sensitive.
End of apology.
What's the size of your account?
wild.
It became a thing that like those things are normal now though. It's like industry standard to have to answer those questions. If you don't answer those questions, you're a fake trader. Like that's what the community has built for this industry. And it's so toxic, man.
Don't switch topics. What's your mother's maiden name, bro?
And then finance in general, really? In corporate finance, they ask that. Dixon contest. Any concerts y'all going to? Yeah, I got a busy week next week. I have a shit ton. I got Kid Cudi on the 15th. I got Post Malone on the 21st. I got the weekend on the 22nd. So I'm in for one. And for a long week of concerts.
Might go to Jamrock.
Jamrock.
Mm.
Nationality. I'm Vietnamese. I'm Viet. I may look Cambodian some days, but majority I'm Viet. Growing up, people thought I was Cambodian because I was really dark for Viet. Yo, Vivin. Are you north or south? I'm south. If I was north, man, I would not be a profitable trader. I'm south. I'm kidding. I'm south though. Yeah, north people are a different breed though. North Vietnamese people are a different breed. But I was born in Canada. Yeah, I gone to Vietnam a couple times. I want to go again, bro. Looks lit. I haven't been there since I was a young kid, but now that I'm older and I have taste, I can actually try some stuff there. Chat, I want to do in-person class. By the way, like, I really want to get that down. But like, I don't know. I just don't know where. I want to do New York again. That was where I did the first time. I want to do it again because like I'm gonna be going to New York next month. Probably or November for the DVS meetup again with Biggs and I mean, if are you coming with to that stuff? November? We haven't made plans officially, but it's looking like November.
November? It
Yeah.
was December.
No, November probably.
NYC?
Yeah, for like a weekend.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So I'm thinking like NYC. If I'm going there again, I might as well this time just do it in person.
Yeah, boy.
So London. I think my majority of my people are from like New York or Miami, to be honest. Yeah, if I do one, it'll be with DVS, and we'll have like Marcos's stuff up, and we'll have Wixness dispensary up next. I'm kidding. But yeah, we'll have all those things. Trying to make it like a DVS thing, more than a Control FX thing. Try to incorporate everyone, you know, in DVS in a way. But it'll probably be a 3-4 day event, probably.
It's gonna be morning workouts with Wix. I'm gonna get Don to hit the gym finally.
The gym. I am the gym.
Yeah.
I am the weight.
Bringing dumbbells with me.
I'm the weight.
Bringing dumbbells with me.
Afternoon gambling. Yo, how is the casinos in New York?
You gotta drive.
New York ain't about casinos. Like I feel like it's not
outside the city.
It's not meant for yeah. It's not meant for casinos. It's a hustling city, not a gambling city.
To spend your money here, city.
We might not get a closure here, which is fine. I'm okay with calling it a day if you don't.
GJ's ass.
Yeah. Chalked. I mean, we did catch that move earlier. I felt like a long time ago, but it did happen, right, chat? You guys remember that?
It's a pretty big one too.
7 a.m. Yeah, that was the biggest runner in the past September, I think.
Oh.
9 minutes. Yo.
Guess 10:15 it is.
Yep. I mean, what else we gotta do? We did a word already. We did everything. It's really just wait for closures at this point. $102 though. 102.26. Did the winner go up to 80? 79.74. Almost there. We're grinding. It's crazy how accurate it is in the stream channel and the singles channel. Considering that we take a lot more trades in the single channel for Asia and London. But still, it's crazy how it's always been accurate. It's never been off. So off stream, on stream, we trade the same. That's what it proves.
How you know the strategy is consistent.
Yeah, that's how you know the strategy is consistent. On stream, off stream, same percentages, right? Now, gold and GJ might be different, but it's roughly the same too, honestly. 73, 71 for GJ and like 81 for goldish. 83 on the single channel. How do you add a pair to it, Don? The sample sizing one? This one? Oh, it's a playbook poster. Ooh. Yo, shouldn't we add this playbook poster to the actual spreadsheet? What do you mean how to add pairs? You go to setup and then you add your pairs here. So pairs testing. You want to do that pair? Okay. Go on to current charts and go on pair. If it loads up, and then that pair should be there. That's how you add a pair. Oh, if you want to add a pair to this spreadsheet though, then you're gonna have to go and go on this, right click that, view more cells, data validation, and then add comma or whatever pair, and then link, and it should pop up after. Dun, 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 dun. Yo, wait, take your headsets off. You giving birth? Oh, I got you. Yeah, I got you. It's okay. I don't know what he said, chat. I mean, but you won't see the win rate. Honestly, you gotta contact Badger. I am no pro with the spreadsheet. I got no clue. Contact Badger on Discord. Who answer your questions considering the spreadsheets. His wife's around, change the subject. When Don hits 30k, he'll go blind. 30k. Yo, chat, if you guys aren't joining the stream today, make sure to leave a like, sub to the channel. You have to do. Appreciate you being here today. Obvious. Each and every one of you guys. The Jantan was AFK? No, sir. We have 5 minutes left for a closure here, so we gotta wait here, right? We gotta wait. Sorry, starting play ain't looking too bad. Yo, wait, so what this looks like? Remember Asian session that day we did? Let me find it. Asian session that one day, a couple days ago. Similar situation. I forgot what time frame it was on, but it was the same move during Asian. I think it was. Maybe the 1 hour time frame, I think.
You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. We charging your shit?
Yeah, I put it on charge.
Damn, you can't connect. You can't connect and charge at the same time.
Not if I want to have this shit hanging off my fucking ear.
Yo, try it. So they don't
But
freeze it.
yeah, I know you're talking about when we made the lower wick and the next candle didn't break it, but still close below range. Dallas.
Yes. Reality. Do you from the bank when you draw? Yes. When it's a big withdrawal, yeah. Otherwise, they'll be like, "Hey, what is
Otherwise,
this?"
They'll inform you.
Only big withdrawals though, like big. But I think I've done 10K withdrawals without contacting them. It's fine. Nothing really happens. Also, you set to build a rep too, right? Can you show your empty 4, please? What about it? Empty 5?
Empty 4. Empty fizzy.
Empty fizzy. Here you go. What about it? What do you want to see?
Yeah, but why? I don't get it. Okay, he showed it. What did you need to see? Perfect.
Right,
Now Ivan is profitable.
That's how it goes.
Just that alone made him profitable. Two minutes. Dos. Yeah. Rip camera.
Onto my camera.
Done for. Expired.
Oh man, I forgot. I thought I fixed it. I thought I didn't fix it. My bad. I have my battery in. I was supposed to have my dummy battery in. I just changed it. I can't believe that battery lasted for a whole day yesterday and half of today.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I need one of those.
All right, 1 hour on closure here, Chad. You need a top wick on the next candle, and then we'll take positions here on the flip. Okay. You have an advantage point here of roughly 17 pips, 20 pips. So at that point, we'll let the rest we'll close partial and let the rest rock. But overall, this is what you're expecting out of this 1 hour candle here. It's to drive down for the wick like so. Pretty clean 1 hour candle, man.
Like, whoa, like so. Ivan, but I mean your history. Will that make you profitable? The history?
19, 18, 17, 16. All right, all right, all right. Oh man, the further you trace back, the better. But Prius kind of stops here. Get a little water here, chat. Because you close down below further, right? But 55 pip stops a little wide. You're kind of forcing these current count stops. Wow. Yeah, I mean,
Better pull up.
honestly, might call it. This thing is coming down here. No top wick. There goes half your range already. I think we just call it. I mean, price can probably drive down here still, yeah, right, chat? Like I'm pretty looking left. You can have all clean traffic coming down towards 1707, but if you're driving down here no top wick, there's a very low chance we'll actually get an entry, and we'll just call it, I guess. Call it a day with that one trade only, and move on to tomorrow.
Brilliant.
Because I initially would have wanted to flip, but if this thing's coming down 10 pips, 12 pips already, there goes your advantage point. That's done, right? And if you want to enter more sells now, you need to enter in the rear breakout lows after a top wick. That's if you get a top wick, and it's a lot to ask for here. So probably gonna call it with that one trade only, and move on to the next day. Yeah, potential. We tried, but not much we can do here really. Sad. Don't be sad. You guys caught your positions today. You guys made your percentages, right? Everyone made a decent percentage today. Yeah, it's like you guys forgot we took a trade already. Just enjoy your profits for a day. Come on tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so last day of the week. Finish out strong, and then this week's over just like that. And then we're moving on to the second week of September, right? And man, today, I will tell you guys though, tomorrow will be a very interesting day if the day candle closes bearish today. Listen to this. If you close below 1713 today, tomorrow's daily candle is likely going to drive all the way down towards 1794. But you have to close bearish here in 6 hours for that to happen. So tomorrow could be a better day than today. You have more of a direction tomorrow, and things will look a lot cleaner tomorrow on Friday. All right. So have a good day, yo. And I appreciate you guys being here today, tuning in, keeping us company. I'll catch you guys in the morning tomorrow. Maybe Asian, maybe London, depending on how I want to trick the banks. But yeah, chat. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys being here. Catch you guys tomorrow.
Yes. Peace.
Yes, yes.
No woman, no cry.
Or maybe I'll catch you guys in 30 minutes. 10 minutes. Maybe this is a fake out. I guess we'll never know. Yo, Wix 10:15. Now that they can't hear us. Now that chat can't hear us. The stream is over. We can do 10:15. We can trade at 10:15 here.
Yeah.
Let's go to the next streamer. All right. The next streamer go back to my stream. Woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. My name is not Don Nguyen. No cry. No woman, no cry. No trade, no cry, bro. No, this song's dedicated to Wix. Oh, wow. Just like that. 1707 has been tapped. He caught that too with us.
Mhm.
Okay. Oh, there's your push chat. How big was that range? Yep.
The big one.
Just like that, chat. Just like that. Hey, at least add some confidence for yourself, right? You guys broke it down. You guys seen target get tapped. That's confidence for tomorrow.
For tomorrow. Save your accounts, yo.
Nah, you broke it down. I didn't break it down. You broke it down. Oh wait, no, we took a win today. Wait. We took a win today. So we have to play the other version.
It's okay.
No woman not cry. No woman not cry. No woman not cry. No woman not cry. Cause I remember when we used to sit in a government yard and trench down. Observing the hypocrites, yeah. Mingle with the good people we meet, yeah. Good friends we have, oh, good friends we have lost along the way, yeah. In this great future, you can't forget your past, so dry your tears, I say, yeah.
Hey, it's Wix9.
No woman not cry. Hey, yeah. I like the darling, don't shed no tears. No woman not cry. Hey, everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Said I remember when we used to
Why Hatchball is not the same?
in a government yard and trench down. Yeah. And then Georgie would make
Hey, what happened?
the firelight. I say a log of wood burning through the night. Yeah. Then we would cook cornmeal porridge. I say, of which I'll share with you. Yeah. My feet is my only carriage, and so I've got to push on through. But while I'm gone, no woman not cry.
Dumb up your eyes.
No